I am here vibing with a man who is the face and voice of one of the greatest sound systems in the history of Jamaica's music. His parents named him DAMIAN DILINGY, but we know him as
DAMIAN DILINGY.
Dilingy?
Yeah.
Man with bad like the late
Squingy.
Squingy. As a classic. Brother.
Yeah, man.
Pick up yourself, man.
Yes, my boss.
It's a
There,
jam.
what
You're
about
gonna go again.
Yeah.
Reach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Yeah, man. Talk to us though, bro.
Yeah.
Early life. Place of birth.
See a place in the community, Alexandria.
Way
Old
out in the
Bethany.
country. Bethany.
Yeah, man. Look to the window, see the house there?
What do you mean?
That old house there, right back
Come
of
here, look on there, sir?
Yeah, man. See it right down there, sir?
You see your house, man?
Yeah, man. Right, that's where my born and grow, man. My house that, man.
So your new house, I look on the old house?
Yeah. That land when I buy and build my house now, I used to come tie out goat pan the land.
Ja.
Yeah, back when I was a youth and my father buy a whole heap of goat give it. You know, if we wake up early morning and tie out goat. That piece of land, he used to walk, come tie out the goat.
Destiny.
Evening time now we come back. So I adjust from my barn, I just never change.
See pre, right?
Yeah.
See pre. How many siblings? How many brothers and sisters?
All right, I got 3 brothers. Yeah, about 5 sisters.
Okay, and all their siblings are still alive?
Yeah, man, everybody there
It's
same
a
way.
blessing that, man. Mommy and daddy still with us?
Yeah, man. Live
Both
right,
of them?
Right down the road, then live.
It's a
Man.
blessing that, man.
5-minute drive down the road, man. Yeah.
It's a blessing that, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
That one of the lucky one, them, you know.
Yeah, man. Where you attended school?
Well, I start off, I got a basic school in Brownstone. So I start my basic school. Then, my first primary school days, I started at Brownstone Primary. Then, I come Charlton Primary School.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I do like 2 primary school before I go high school. My high school now is about not Gallimore. Right out there.
Right.
Everything that's around right there. So.
One circle.
Yeah, and then my college at Bass Odyssey.
Yeah. College of Bass Odyssey.
Yeah.
yeah. I think whilst you were attending about that Gallimore, you played some football and cricket for the school as well.
Yeah, man, I try off everything, you know, because even my brother was a great spin bowler, you know, Andre Dwyer.
Okay.
Yeah, man, play for Jamaica and everything. So, in them time, you know, I was a fast bowler too, but every sports I try, I get injured.
Okay.
So, and then, cause we have one thing, a mini league. We used to go on down the road and I come into center where every holiday, when it's summer holidays, from little youth and from primary school to high school, we have play cricket. And then we kind of love cricket. And my grandfather, my uncle, them,
You used to
play cricket. Yeah, so I try for every sport still, football and them thing there, but me get injured in everyone. But music me did really love. So it did easy.
Go.
Yeah, I play music from, you see, the yard I show you.
Yeah.
I show you, because I suppose the first interview me ever said this panto. Bass Odyssey used to play next door. If you look through the window again, you see a little pink building there over there. So Bass Odyssey used to play over there, so like every other month. So when Bass Odyssey played this now, remember we can't go and dance. We attack young youth. My mother used to make me go up on the veranda. Sometimes me and my brother them have a pillar with them. We listen to one them and the whole of them over there. So at them thing they make me love. And then we used to make them some little sound box, some little small sound box. So, you know? And for me, like sound any nightlife.
Nightlife.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So music started long before we even can go actually learn to do it, you know?
Yeah. And I think now, eventually, you started going around small acts.
Small acts, right out there again.
Right
For the little place. Yeah, it was a cut through the little bush there and jump them 2 fence there and really right out there. So big up Stinger, because Stinger the brother now where, see we have come around and teach you. Ask you if you love you, I always say, yeah man, and him every weekend when him string up the sound, till we did it, till we can spin, record, you know.
I think you went around small acts when you were about 15 years old.
Yeah man, 15-year-old.
How long it took you to be comfortable around the turntable?
Well, that's about a year, because even when we started with small acts and we could have even do it, we couldn't really go out like that to dance.
Okay.
Even if we don't go play small acts, when hours come down, we have to come home.
You have to come.
Yeah.
But me and daddy have your pad.
Yeah, but
That's-
my mother were more, because my father is a strict man still.
Okay.
Because you know, you have some parents that go on, because in them time the sound system wasn't the type of work where
Parents
people
want
think
them
could
to-
can make a good living. Or, so, you know, of course my father was more of, go to school, get some subject and thing. But my mother knows say we love it. So he was a thief out through window, man. Go play sound, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. So Small Axe was played outside of Alexandria?
All right. We have some communities, you know. Alexandria is just this big community, you know.
Right.
So we play out of the community like we did have the Wattown and the Gibraltar, the 9 Mile, the Murray, Inverness,
St. Dacres.
Abuka, St. Dacres. So I dominate them place there.
Okay.
As a young Small Axe, I dominate. Them time they have a round robin. So I play a round robin we play.
And you just a mix at this time?
Yeah,
you
them
not
time.
use a mic
No,
yet?
them time I mix my little beanie brother. My name Shane now. Me have 15, can you imagine me have 15 and I'm about 3.5 years older than my brother. Then call him Wingy. Yeah, I'm playing my sound right now too.
Okay.
Yeah, I only did that on Bass Odyssey.
He was here when we...
Yeah, my brother, I mean, the sit down right there, so my brother, yeah.
Cool.
So me I bring him out with me, so him now, him little voice fine, them used to rate him.
Oh.
So when you reach all the dancer now, because we used to clash, I play clash them time. You know.
Because around the area you used to have like little
Echo Stone and
little
Muja.
Bass Odyssey.
Yeah, little Bass Odyssey and Muja. So we clash, because remember we don't know nothing else more than clash, because Bass Odyssey a war
Killing
sound.
machine on the
Yeah.
ground.
You see me, and from we a little youth now, we and Squingy them and Tina one and all I Bass Odyssey selected them, Dwayne and Skinny and Worm them, well away, everybody. And one little ear, because remember say, Bass Odyssey did rent a house, Father Kid, they rent a house around there, so we Squingy them. And me end up, when me go to Bass Odyssey, me end up live at the same house too.
Okay.
For a couple of years.
Okay, see
Yeah, so yeah, man, we start off with Small Axe and I dominate the whole area, man. Yeah, man. Kill sound. So my little brother named Wingy, when a time for a sound lock off, them build up some crate. Them time they crate them build out like cardboard, then thick cardboard.
Okay.
Beer box and put him up, take him up and put
him on.
Hey, so that was dead. And then me used to have a song, and if you call me used to boast and say, we have your only dub, Bob Marley fan dub. If you're a big tree, you're a small axe.
Oh! Yeah, that man.
Yeah, man. And then time, even if a man play, could have play back. But when we play back, man, everybody dead, man.
Everybody
20 minutes at the pan turntable.
Yeah, Small Axe, sharp into cut.
Yeah, man.
Makes sense,
big up
brother.
Stinger, man. Yes,
but
man.
you're crafty from early, man.
Me I tell you, we are around the place. Me and the same youth with the name Vilmore from Bass
Vilmore.
Odyssey right now.
Oh, so
Even
Vilmore was on Small Axe?
Lick Echo Stone. That.
Little Echo Stone.
Yeah, and Father Keith, son now, farmer, owner for Bass Odyssey, Dwayne Walford, own Little Odyssey. So we are war.
Yeah, man.
Anytime we buck up a war, be a war. Yeah, man.
How long were you around Small Axe?
Me run Small Axe till Tina one them build the sound and Lone Star. Because when Lone Star forward now, it was the sound, not in name like Bass Odyssey, but in terms of equipment wise.
Quality wise.
3 big column and
Okay.
turntable, 1200 turntable, rector scale pan bass, big amps.
Quest,
yeah,
bass.
yeah, dub plate. So what John do now, big up Father John, I'm a general up to this day, can time come to Jamaica, you know, me and I have to link up. So Father John come down and I say, all right then, I'm going to pick the youth them out of the community. So my best friend Gary, Mr. Russell, my police, him did it on Amuja, and me did it on Small Axe. Villy did that, Little Echo Stone, so Villy never move.
Okay.
Because Little Echo Stone did a go and go, so Villy never move.
Because Little Echo Stone kind of come do well, not probably outshine the big Echo Stone, but they made a name for themselves.
Yeah, man, they run the place, man. After a while, man, and then no, so Stinger say, yeah, man, go on, man, because upgrade on nothing and go on.
Stinger good, yo.
Yeah, Stinger say, go and go do nothing, and then we go Lone Star now, so Lone Star come from the road, so we go to Lone Star now. You don't know, we can mix and everything now, and then Tina one day they agree with the pointers them.
Good coach.
Yeah, so that's now me go get a feel of a dub plate and big sound. But them time you know we go to a lift box and string up sound and with that Lone Star. And then now, as I say, it was me, the youth named Gary, then Charlie Black come there.
Charlie Black came
Yeah,
around.
man, and Charlie Black come there and a youth named Paul Park, him dead now. And yeah, so we did it with a Lone Star and we dominate too.
So Lone Star used to clash as well?
No, it never clash.
Juggling.
We kick off with two sound, but I never like a straight out clash.
Okay.
Just a sound rush around our town one night and we have to. Because we have dub, you know.
Different on yourself?
Yeah, man, we have dub. Because we have the sound they did have all Dennis Brown pan dub and them song.
Big dub that?
Yeah, man, only foundation. Because when it forward from foreign, it have only a foundation dub.
Oh, okay.
So I think one cut the new set of dub them like, you never have no bounty, so I think I cut the bounty and them something, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think eventually Lone Star closed down.
Yeah, it closed down, you know, because some like family food and the boss decided to say why. And he apologized to me and I said, boy, you have to do it, you know.
I think
it wasn't a man who live in Jamaica, you know.
Oh.
So, you know, when you live overseas and have people run a thing sometime, you know, run the right way. So that closed down and
I think 98 was the year that them closed
yeah,
off.
yeah. And when that done now, me did have a son up the road where we grown for a little while still.
Yeah, man.
Name again, Bridging Bamboo and so on there, you know.
Come never know so there was a sound between Lone Star.
Yeah, but we just go there still. We just go there because you know Lone Star lockdown we go there. So in at the same time now, you know, I mean I don't even pay attention dance. I just go there and you know like music, yeah. And then now me have a bridge named Gentine, you know. We did up on Soundwave. He used to sell a record down at Brownstone. He bring me in and say, we could go Soundwave. And I go Soundwave, but I tell you the truth, I just feel like music, I that. I go back to school.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I say I go back to school because I tell you already, I never one of the type of youth them when my parents, like we just out there like that in the world. We have my auntie them. I never cuss bad word, my auntie them hear them time them even. So my family like decent family, so I decide, so yo, it don't make no sense. I go back to school and thing and sign up all people, man, ready, man. If go back to school and thing, here come Bass Odyssey. I think a Squingy are doing, I can't remember which one of them call me and tell me, say, yeah, Father Keith, want a man to play the sound early. Because by them time, Roman doing now, they dip on the truck.
Oh, okay.
So they want to upgrade now. So they want somebody to play the sound early.
Oh, okay.
And him can link me. Because I say, me not done a dominate the area already. So Squingy them, all of them
yeah,
come see me play.
Ground.
Yeah, man, because Squingy them, all of them come watch me clash, you know.
Oh, okay.
It was a club right there, so you know. Oh. So we used to do some Wednesday clash, you know. So them say, all right, I'm going to link Father Keith. I'm link Father Keith. And them say, Damian, want a youth for early warm the sound because you know Dwayne and Worm now and then up on the truck long time, man. So yeah, man, no problem. Yeah, man, no problem, man. But me catch on quick. Because I done could have play dub plate and mix already. I'm going to this is a different ball game now.
Big sound.
So me have to start back now from playing it early. And eventually Worm and Dwayne never really left off our truck. Because we build our vibes. And then Worm decides to Rem decides if I buy a car, decide for this thing, you know. Rem, my old man buy a car and can't drive, you know. Yeah, because, you know, the truck front full, you know, because me have all right for driving the truck front.
Right.
But by right, them should drive.
The truck.
So, Rem buy one car, and me and Dwayne have to drive it. Rem car. Are we teach Rem to drive, you know? Yeah, man, me and Dwayne teach Rem to drive. Rem couldn't drive. So we link up and we did them, man, and I tell you for years, we did it on the truck, I did the thing to me, and Rem come build a good team.
Yeah, we'll soon get to that. But before we continue here, were you being paid like a salary around Small Axe or Lone Star?
Yeah, man, all of them, man. All of them. Because remember, I saw them where I get paid for play.
Okay.
I saw them where promote literally book for play, so we pay.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Nice. So when you got to Bass Odyssey now, I know you mentioned Skinny and Squingy and Worm. Mark was there as well. Dwayne.
Yeah. All of them in there. Me was like, the little baby will come there.
Then time Glamour G gone already.
Yeah,
though.
Glamour them gone. Cause me no really, since me bust pan Bass Odyssey, me go meet Glamour them. Since me bust pan Bass Odyssey and start travel.
You link up.
Me link up Glamour them. Me find Glamour them. Me meet Lenny like 2 times.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
so me not really know Lenny panel level, yeah. But me I mean when it 2 times I link him still. Him no, you know, we link and him come and we dance and I think LA me did go and thing and sing. But me and Glamour G I like so.
Yeah.
But when me forward on the sound, they did have Squingy, Mark, Worm, Dwayne and Skinny. So 5 of them in the pan Bass Odyssey already.
And I think the lead selectors at the time was Mark and Squingy.
Yeah, Mark, Squingy. Yeah, Mark and Squingy. Skinny too.
Skinny too. Right,
yes,
right.
Skinny was a bad juggler.
Oh.
Squingy can juggle too, you know, but Skinny was a dangerous juggler. Yeah. You see me? And then with Mark, he did have Dwayne as a 2 top mixer.
Oh, okay.
Dwayne one of body's mixer, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, man. Dwayne ramp with him, man. Dangerous, man. So Dwayne and Mark was the 2 top mixer. And then Skinny was the juggler. Worm was the war man.
War man.
Too. He can juggle too, but Worm could have war. So Worm and Squingy, like if Squingy can make you a war, the best man for send is Worm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but when you joined the Sun, it took a while for you to see Squingy and Mark because book out.
Me dey on Bass Odyssey about 4 months. I mean, I see Squingy play the song. Like, when me just forward on the song like for a month and a half, me not see my Mark. And after them start come, like reach back Monday, and gone Friday. So it take me about 4 months before me actually run Bass Odyssey and see Mark and Squingy play Bass Odyssey because them tour the whole world.
And as you say Mark and Squingy though, like I learned recently that Mark and Squingy never have the best of friendship.
No, not really, but I never nothing that serious where one want kill one still.
Okay.
Then just have them 2 different set of man, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
Alright. Mark is the man who more care about everything. Squingy is the man who no give a f or no. You understand?
See, pre. So there gonna be some clashes then.
Yeah.
See, pre.
Cause when you have a clash now, you know. Squingy sometimes, cause you see him very talented like that. Squingy is a man with us. Yo, Dilingy. Yeah, I wanna cut today. So you know, so I cut that. And then I ask me what type of song you know, does the artist.
Oh.
And Mark now do the whole of the floor work and sit
there. Mark was the one primarily cutting dubs at the time.
Mark a genius bridging. And Squingy does good at film job too.
Yeah. Because you started going to the studio with Mark to get the dubs
for the first year, because Mark alone used to go studio. Because Squingy is a man in a love town. He's one of them type of man there where for an embassy or some important thing, him now go to town. So Mark alone used to go to studio and me decide say, I want to know this thing. And then I start going Mark now. So that's why you see even in the future when I compare halfway.
That means eh?
Yeah, me still have
because you have to take up that after when Mark left.
Yeah, because Mark a plan for your son. So just me and him, instead of him keeping in brain, he must say, Dilingy, I'm going to cut the song there. For eliminate that talk there when a man make her for play. Yes, sir. So all of them things now, me are gathering all of them things there. So me kind of pre-out. Till you reach the stage where when you reach a clash from early, Mark would tell me say, yo, a Link's big song that, a Panther big song that.
Lick you away.
Yeah man, me and Worm start at the war there man. They come see that the war there go on man.
Yeah man.
And he just say, well, get rid of me, just say, lick that and me say to him say, and guess what? Me just feel say they have that, so me did play that one there too. So me did still have a mind and me want to.
Yeah, I go through the school in like a grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, never come through a thing.
Yeah, because you can't grow up on a sound like Bass Odyssey if you just come there. You have to put something to the table too. You have to try to do something different if make a Dilingy. Alright, you understand?
Yeah, man.
If you just come there and just go be, you sound alright, so you know and try to do something make a man them can say, boy, look a style of Dilingy come up with body, you know. That make no sense.
That make no sense. You're also cutting bass around the sound as well.
Man, I cut bass to one little keep on the rector scale. Top work.
Yeah.
Father kids say no touchy back. Like he said, Damian, don't touch back that key. Because then time we never have no boot.
Right.
Yeah.
See, pretty well.
Fuck it.
But you do everything around the sound, my bro, man. You pay your dues,
yeah,
man. That's the long and short of it. You pay
Remember
your
them
dues.
time there, remember we the pan Chuck. We the pan them time the Bass Odyssey play nearly 7 nights a week, you know. So we are good, we have rest day, Monday rest day. We are go sometime when Bass Odyssey go out 3 weeks now, the pan the Chuck. You understand? Me have my sponge and my pillar. And me did my sheet now. We did put down some banner, you know them big cloth banner.
Right.
When you put cross the road,
yeah,
them
man,
so.
I know them thing,
Everywhere we go tear them, man. Me and Fuzzy them and
them.
Barky them, man. We have a sheet, man. A banner we use and make a sheet, man. I have one bucket now where we, yo, one bucket bridging where we buy one pipe and one hardware and put the pipe in it.
And fully bucket.
So we never beard now, put it on the truck side. And beard. I want to tell you, man. I will buy strip and Bass Odyssey, man. You go through, you go, man.
Which was the first place where you actually early warmed the sound, if you can remember?
My teacher, I remember, you know. I remember.
Me understand that, man.
Yeah,
Me understand that.
Me know, say, most of me, the early one when I can remember too, I see him boy and Cascade. And them place they help build me too. Boy, have a place named Wait a Bit Yamos. Enough clash go on there, so them people help build me. Because them people love Bass Odyssey down at St. Elizabeth. Yeah, but through Bass Odyssey, I play so much. Teacher, me kind of hard for even remember.
Me understand, man. Man, a world sound, man.
Yeah, man, because for a company sound out there for days and like now. So my time when we pick up clothes, we drive the way for purpose.
We just pick up clothes.
Pick up clothes, gone back at evening.
Because at the time, as I said, that Squingy and Mark were the face and voice of the song.
Yeah.
Who did you kind of gravitate to the most early out in your time around Bass Odyssey?
All right, in my early time, it was like early. It was Roman Dwayne. Just come there.
Because them did up on the sound
Yeah,
and the voice
yeah.
so
And then me and Mark.
Oh, okay.
Because me and Squingy we have Squingy good long time now. Because I remember so we used to, when Squingy come from foreign, when we were little youth, we used to go in the yard and him put up basketball, hoop in the yard, and we play basketball. But as me say, Squingy was a man now where, true, we are doing the Bass Odyssey work like that, and me and Mark over a place and thing. And then, little bit after that now, because 2 years prior, they on Bass Odyssey, me live at the yard of Squingy live, you know.
Oh, okay.
You understand? So we and Squingy now, so now me and Squingy have like a brother. You get me? But like me and Dwayne and Herm would have start build the chemistry there from early, like, and then me and Mark now. And then after that now, me move out of my parents' house now and go live by the Bass Odyssey house. So that's how me and Skinny and Squingy now, because I told them live at the same house. You understand? Because it was a big house, with only per room. Herm they live there too.
Okay.
Yeah. So Skinny there on the next side of the house, Squingy have a room there, so her room there, and my room there, so. You know?
So one time in a camp, one of the kind of have one little team thing going. You have Madhouse and Jairide.
Yeah, because Madhouse built from Teen Jam now, Skinny, Mark and Squingy.
Oh, so it was Skinny, Mark, Squingy and Madhouse.
Yeah, because that build on one thing named Teen Jam.
No Teen Jam, man.
Yeah, that before Mark even up on the sound that I go on, you know. And that's so Squingy and Skinny and Mark, them build one team and then him come Bass Odyssey, you know.
Oh.
So that's how them go build a chemistry then at the Teen Jam, you know. You get what I say? And that's how Squingy and that's how it build. So them have a thing in Madhouse now. Now, but as me tell you, go back to now, you can't run a sound and just stay back so. And not try. So, Dwayne and Worm, them now, then you Jairide. You understand? And I decide say, no sir, I'm at those more in brother. So Squingy them would have die out there here, die out me here too. You understand? Man them wear, them time the Squingy them used to wear like jeans suit with Timberland boot.
Jeans suit and Timberland thing there.
I tell them say, me pay on back on the money, brother. Squingy we buy all some things from foreign. Take them give back in money. Mark them I not like. I was a little kid, but I not like. I not nothing bad to say about none. Now the man they take care of me, virgin. Them build me. The 5 of them build me. Anything where me do right now, 5 of them build me.
Which was the first dance where you remember what stand out in your mind when you go up on the sound. For whatever reason the night there, whether Mark and Squingy did it, whether Dewey and Worm mash it up, but something about that dance sticking in your mind from early out.
The Firelings dance. Even though
Cape Valley.
even though it never done good.
2001, I think.
Yeah. Cause that dance they really and truly.
Was it built as a clash or
Yeah,
it turned, so it was a clash
Yeah,
dance?
man.
So it was Firelings.
Yeah, man. Straight clash,
Bass
man.
Odyssey.
Sound a plan we have cut the plate feet. So that dance was a dance and way. I started war by myself, you know. I mix and talk, you know, I liquid 45 them for early, you know. And then now, Squingy and Marty reach at the dance, they're late too. Because Marty never feel good, you know.
Okay.
And Squingy, you know, go feed my yard.
Okay.
So when Links reach now, and Links start booming up your place. Because remember them time, you know, man. Links and Pink Panther and them. Yo, I know like now when you have some little sound out there, when you say clash now, a man I say, Bass Odyssey, I got, Then the time, you know, anybody can win. Everybody top form. So when Links reaching now, people, So me asking you, I say, hey, man reach, you know. War start, you know. And then me didn't know some type of song I go lick it. So I start lick them time the elephant man them and run the place. I start lick with some tune. And then Links come in, bridging. Then Squingy and Mark go come. So that dance, and when I'm a dance, so we can say, yo, history dance that.
Yeah, eventually though, like a lot of things that people could have probably died that night as well. Nobody did, but could have because
all me could have did because a man fling a buckle, I mean, if you hear a buckle pass me and everything,
you know that sound there, man.
Sure. And then mash up on youth face. I just really make it get out of hand, you know.
Okay.
Because when Links did say get the gun them.
Yeah, because I think him a talking a Squingy set and Squingy dance.
I Links that in unruly, you know. Squingy is a more principal man still, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, Squingy. So Links now, because Links did have a dance in the first part, you know.
Oh, Links did a lead
Yes,
dance.
man, Links are go on with himself, man. So when Squingy come on the dance turn now, it's like Links now. Cause what I think happens still, Links they play on 45. I can't remember if I love put on but they play on 45. They're upset about that, Bridget.
Because a dub plate in there.
Dub, yeah. And then, so when Squingy now attack now, Links have his mic, so Squingy said to him, say, Bridget, if you go and talk, you know, me walk out and dance and people, me follow me and Links, I say, oh, think about that, and then at one point now, Squingy tell him, say, I'm going to play one killer with the name and in Doughty. Squingy play the killer with the name. That's much of right, that's a Bridget. Because when you have no him talk, of course, some people now try to say, yo, ease yourself.
Easy with the chatting, man.
So he must say, yo, Ray, oh no, war, get the gun them. And the man must go find out, say, no gun. And, brother, problem after that. But the youth face get bust up now. I sucker them decide now, say, them are going to mash up Links sound. The people them say, them are going to mash up.
So Links people them fling the buckle?
Boy, I'm going to tell you now. No, sir, I don't think so.
Okay.
But think, because all the sound them the day when the buckle come from, I think them fling it after somebody run a Links sound.
Okay.
You see me?
Just get you.
That little part they kind of mix up. I don't know if Links did run off before that or run off after
that.
But the buckle, lick one youth in the face from Pabuka, and then, you know, what the Pabuka man did, you know. So they start cut off the wire, punch and chuck. And then now, I'm going to come in a big sound for dropping in a turntable. And Father Keith and Skinny them decide say, yo, and Mark them decide say that now.
That not happen still.
Even Squingy. Squingy there said, no, I can't mash up a man so. I know from Mark and Squingy and Skinny them talk, you know, you crow.
And Father, especially Father Keith.
Yeah, Father Keith there and said, no, I'm going to play them, play them thing there.
Yeah, man.
But after a while, man I say, we can't come to town and countryman I say, Links can't come back a country, yeah.
Because Links run left his son.
Yo, you see, man, run, man, jump over a gate tonight and sit there, man. Because it did fall, you know.
Oh, please, wait.
And then the people, after the whole thing, the people lick down the land and the gate then at the ground. So when Links run off and now he never see the gate, so he trip over the gate. And he just get up and jump over the fence and gone. And you see over there, so you have something in the country called Sing Cool, brother. And me and Bubba talk about it, you know. Yeah, man, me and Bubba talk about it. Because me and Bubba live so, you know.
Yeah,
yeah, man, me and Bubba good, man.
Because you were instrumental in kind of quashing the tension there.
You know, yeah, me.
With the tone can't come a tone
me
and can't come a country.
Well, after a while, it was just like, Links can go anywhere, Bass Odyssey can go anywhere.
Right.
But the two sound just never play.
Oh.
Because now with the start fear, the same thing with Jara and Bass Odyssey.
From the junction dance.
Fans and fans now, the two of we try to avoid each other. Because in the one dance, it might become deadly. So, of course, Links are doing thing, Bass Odyssey are doing thing. You know, Links over film place, I chat Bass sitting, Squingy over here, so I say Bass sitting, but the sound them now buck up.
Right.
Because I know like them no want buck up, because they two, them not afraid of, we not afraid of Links and Links not afraid of we. But the father kid decides, say, you know, good, you know, wise. Yeah. But after a while now, me start link up Bubba. You know, me and Bubba start link up a studio, we go move out, I see him everywhere. And then he must say, boy, Dilingy. Me not depend on improvement, you know. And I say, boy, Bubba, I talk to father and say, I say still, I talk to father, Kit him, I say, hey, man, you sure? Because, you know, want this thing here, go, and then True Links is a man like this, no, you can't hear me, no. Them set a wire selector there, when they have the microphone.
A different animal, them, man.
Yeah, man. I go on, man, until I convince father Kit and he take a date. Down a St. Elizabeth, Barbary Hall, more than anniversary.
Okay.
Where Fire Link sound reach 12 o'clock in the night.
12 o'clock in the night?
History that I get. Yeah. And it started off this, and that was the package.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So,
you also kind of help bridge the Jaro Bass Odyssey gap.
Yeah, me and Freddie.
Were you at the Junction dance?
No, man, no. Them me a little youth.
Okay.
Them dance are going in the mid-90s.
Okay.
So the Jaro and Bass Odyssey never.
Only hear about that one.
But after now, same thing. Start book with Freddie, because me and Freddie good like that. Because them rate me as a little kid. Because all I general them rate me, you know. Because I never show me growing manners with them. You know, so me and Freddie now decide, say, yo, no hardcore, because them time no hardcore, no too bad hardcore sound and buck up.
Okay.
I would say Jamaica need it. And then now, it dub plate now, like, through the whole heap of solo selector bus now, the dub plate them I get the arrest. Then come on, so me and Freddie decide, say, yo, watch out now. I talk to Harper, I talk to Father Keith. It take a while still, you know. But it happen now. It happen in such a unique way where Bass Odyssey anniversary. And Jaro come down deal with, hey, Jaro take a dance, Bridget.
Yeah?
Yeah, because people long for your Jaro. And
Who played the song tonight? Freddie?
Was Freddie. And Cosby and Slaughter them that Stone Love.
Okay.
Me and Lexi and Reverend they are Bass Odyssey. Jaro take a night, man. Jaro rub out everything in that, man.
We respect that, brother.
I want him and Jaro.
So never lose up now or come second yet.
Freddie done that dance, man. And so me and Stone Level look and I say, God damn. God, you know, tune them fresh night people in me. We got a reason. And
Johnny has burned them.
Oh, God, man. Straight down plate, man. The evidence there, man. You can go listen it, man. I think a man played, I think on YouTube there, man. Yeah, man, Freddie go on wicked that night, man. And then after that, I just we and Jara nearly every weekend, all over Jamaica, firing.
There was a situation involved with Links, but Links, I don't think Links, Green Jail. There was a Bass Odyssey Links set up. Links not come at the dance.
Me say it and how they tackle me about this a lie, me I tell sir.
Oh yeah?
So me tell him say, me tell a member and a member. He say nothing go so sir. I mean, me remember that for a fact. But maybe if you talk to Mark on an interview, Mark, we can confirm.
Yeah, I have to talk to Mark.
Yeah, man, you have to talk to him. Okay, man, that general, of course. Yeah, but me remember the night there, when Links did for forward and him not forward, and the youth them a complain sound. When the dance done, the man him take away the dub box and block the taxi. And man get box too.
Man get slapped.
Of course, man get slapped. And a Mark and Skinny have to calm them down. But
Links now come by him not today. So I'm not going to hear say.
Bubba just said, Dilingy, you tell one lie for me. Say, Bubba, you are going now. Maybe my brain. So, yeah.
Maybe your brain. Yeah.
Me say, me remember that. And me know me no fool. So maybe when Mark or Skinny, one of them do an interview, somebody ask them about it. So when them confirm, me come back and talk about that again.
When me me over talk to Mark, Skinny and Worm.
Yeah, man.
When Glamour G and Lenny make themselves available, we interested. Because them man are part of one of the greatest institutions in music. You understand what I say? And them have the mystery. There are a couple more dance I want to ask about. There was a Jack Creation dance at Portland.
Yeah.
You were at that dance?
Yeah, man. When Jack Creation and pin we back so them.
But Squingy.
Plug out the back so them. Squingy never did it.
Squingy never did it?
No. It was.
How the dance finish?
Alright, it was me, Dwayne, Worm and Skinny.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And it was a clash dance too.
Okay.
Yeah, I remember then they cut one Shaggy and Rick Rock, it wasn't me. And we did hear so then cut it and I try for it, but it is too expensive.
Oh, okay.
But Worm go there now and play a mind game them and say, yeah, Rick Rock and Shaggy wanna have, we have a counteraction. So the man play for early. Cause that was the biggest song in Jamaica them time.
Right.
It wasn't me, yeah. So after we did them, man, and we start beat Jack Creation, man. Bass Odyssey just start get weak. Low mid gone pan the side, low mid gone pan the side, high mid gone pan the side. And we say, what go on? When you take a stop, man, hey, Rasta for Jack Creation, a bad boy still.
Bad boy with a mobile?
Yeah, man. Man start growing up, plug out your back side, man.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. And the dance mash up right there, so. We just this, you see, in the Bass Odyssey, it's not a violent sound,
Just kill people music.
No, we just, if anything out of the way, we just stop and say, yo, it's alright.
Oh, okay.
So
Makes
that they
sense.
go on and the dance
Makes
done
sense.
right there, so.
Yeah. The king of these, Bass Odyssey clash over Portmore. You were around this one?
Them time I'm in a delicate ear. That go about 96.
Oh, before your time?
Yeah, that before my time. So, me go grow come hear the history. But if the father keep them give me the history. But
okay.
So, me no know the, me never hear it like how you hear the history.
Yeah, right. Something I hear.
Tina one them tell me the history, all of them tell me the history,
Yeah. You actually play the sound against 4x4 at any point in time?
When in the 2000s when the boss come back from jail and then we'll rise up at the sound, me and him play for Stone Hill.
Okay.
And them keep the dance too. No, it wasn't a clash, but it did turn out in some bunty business. Me I run up there, yeah man. Yeah man, I mean I run it there for I just saw the first me know the tree, the actually eggnog tree.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what you call that thing you put in a porridge.
Yeah man. Nutmeg.
Nutmegs, no, nutmeg. I just saw the first me saw a nutmeg tree.
Yeah.
Yeah man, we make that flat out of ground man.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm. Cause when we go up there now, me did kinda have to say boy that play with bounty for bounty, so me did buck out a whole heap of killer. Yeah. So
are you ready for them?
Yeah man, the only time that we play. Cause then they beat up Black Cat like 2 months before, up there, So when they keep the dance now, we think that did go happen.
Oh, okay.
But a lot of sounds, when Bass Odyssey in the land, them hesitate what they want to do, Then watch it.
So
They run off their mouth, Bass Odyssey are dead, but it's when the sound actually come in the land, them hesitate. And when the so I go on, and see if we go falter. But we always up away again still, so you know really going to find that with Bass Odyssey so easy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
What the first sound you personally kill, like Pan Bass Odyssey, you say, and me kill that sound there? You can't forget that clash, you can't tell me, but the rest of them, you can't forget the first sound. You know, so you come home man, you're nice. You kill that sound last night.
I heard him kill one sound. Mountainside. Name. What's the sound name again now? Judge, no, see, I know. But you name Germs used to play that song there.
Selector named Germs.
Yeah, man, because the night I remember him telling me, remember the youth named Germs. Him never did the dance yet.
Oh, okay.
I don't think he even reached the dance, but the MC did say, wait, man, just wait till Germs. I remember telling him, man, say, yo, you talk about you wait for Germs, and I'm dead in my back pocket.
Because that
I'm
easy
back
to
like
count
that.
with
Yeah,
a name
so-
like that as a selector, you're going to run them that problem.
Yeah. Me not gonna forget that because the same night that me a rum crash. Prosperity. I come from a dance there.
Oh, I never
Yeah.
know that going on in Nigeria anymore.
Yeah man, me a rum crash man. We come from the same dance there. So that I want to make remember. But me have whole heap of little sound where Rush Bass Odyssey where we throw down like, but I don't know big names so.
Okay.
Like we go play that song like how we sound then I see Squingy.
And then get high.
Then get time we have to lock them off. You know, enough little sound and really even. Yeah, but me have some clash man where me know we win still. But I can't remember the sound in my place because so I say so much.
Yeah, that's alright man. Why first sound kill you? But you run the turntable, I play the dance and that sound they lock you off.
Man, first time we did man. I when I did me see now. Me try remember good, you know. Me try remember good. The first time, you know, dead, you know. I mean, I can't say me dead in a bridge. I went Squingy did sick out first. And me and Rome have to go do the world clash them.
Okay.
Man.
That was a world clash in Canada. Was Canada?
We did have three of them. We did have Antigua. We did have Canada and New York.
Yeah, so that was about 2005, 2006 there. Because Squingy got sick about 2006.
Yeah. So that time me and Rome go, man.
So which one of the songs that are rubbing out them time there?
We talk about the Mataran, the Antigua one got Mataran, Mighty Crown, and I think so Antigua song, I don't remember.
Oh, okay.
Oh yes man, don't get a fingernail man. We first drop out. And then we go to England. No, sorry, we go to Canada. We didn't so bad that time like we second drop out.
Who did that?
Black Cat, Mighty Crown. Baby guns we clash with the I'm telling you man. Yeah, we drop out.
Who drop out before though?
I think I'm Canadian sound, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm Canadian sound. Drop out before, I don't remember which one, but you know. But we second drop out. And you know what make we did too? Same country buju there.
God, then new.
New first, I mean I remember first play that. First it I go play.
First selectors play.
Yeah, Marco Tiguri. Yeah man. First time that he ever play.
Oh. So why never connect? Just cause he knew?
He just
I will not enjoy it properly.
No man. Well, can that too, but he just at first when I hear a song like that, it never make no sense at that time.
Okay.
This is a great Bass Odyssey with Alexandra. It's not a song that they did on 45. Some people never really. Yeah, so after a while now, when we start playing over, people start loving. So we did Antigua, did Canada, and we go did New York too.
Back.
Sure. And people say.
So in mash up, you know.
And Father Kid just say, yo, so you go man. And Squingy them and Bill and say, oh, so you go man.
Yeah, because Squingy, I think, spoke to you guys about the tune for continuing playing the song.
Yeah. And him did listen to the dance. And when him listen to the dance, him said, no man, you not really do nothing wrong in there, man. People don't expect me and Mark. And Mark tell we same thing too. You get me? But the following year, you know when we go out there.
On a win World Clash?
Yeah, man.
Well, I think a Black Cat on the
Black Cat, yeah.
Where was that?
In New York.
New York.
In New York. Yeah, man.
That was your first World Clash?
Yeah, man. Me I hear him now start dominate now, start win some clash.
Yeah, Worm also over time built a great chemistry.
Yeah, we did have a thing,
yeah,
because them time the Mark can go back to US and them thing so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mark did have some you know, they start
traveling issues.
Yeah, so I mean I remember now would have to go out and then Squingy sick. You know, and then doing now to me go studio and know the dub plate them like that now. Cause doing couldn't clash, you know.
Okay.
But me just have the advantage over him where
Cause you know the
because me could mix like doing.
Okay.
Doing was a better mixer than me.
Oh.
But me just know if to play the dub plate them. You understand?
What was it like adapting and adjusting to Squingy getting sick first though? Because as you know, when Bass Odyssey a string up, Mark and Squingy were the two main shooters at the time. Yeah. So I guess if a man knows say I know Mark and Squingy them feel a little bit braver, them feel a little stronger.
Alright, Squingy sickness are just we there son in sick and in a bed tomorrow, you know. Squingy they start feel sickly. So as him feel sickly, we come at the dancing, but him not play the song.
Okay.
And we are play. So by the time him sick now, internationally, of course, you know, when a promoter book, then go on Squingy. So the international, he never got the international one, but locally,
Him there.
we have played the dance at night time. So when him sick and stop come a dance now, Jamaica never have no problem with Bass Odyssey.
Okay.
Bass Odyssey I go out right out, I remember Mark they do it too. So Squingy will show up, and him there, but him just not have the strength, but him there. So maybe a promoter we know say no feel good, but once the audience is Squingy in dance, and them time that we are do good, cause by them time you know, you have Worm and Skinny, a dominate too.
Yeah, I think Charlie would have joined the sound somewhere another time there.
Yeah, Charlie.
About 06, 07.
Charlie that come about 05, man.
05.
In the 05. Charlie that come there, yeah.
As you guys, you know, I get more experience and, you know what I mean, I get better at the craft too.
Yeah.
Eventually in 2009, unfortunately, Squingy.
Yeah, Bass
Squingy
pass, yeah, him drop out. Yeah.
What was the last conversation you had with Squingy?
All right. Squingy was a man like this. You know, Jamaican people stay. Him try to avoid Jamaican. Like, when him forget him medication, him would have prefer do it overseas.
Oh, okay.
So, Trim did sick to the point where him can't really manage like that. Him decide say, cause him did have him virgin Kirky seed, by his dad. So him and Kirky seed them was like that. So him tell me, say, Dilingy, you know, me go hang out the Kirky seed them for a minute and do medication and all of them thing there. You understand? So, but before that, you know, when him sick and come back, you know.
Right.
He can have some little time when he's sick and come back, you know. Then he drop off 2007 off I pole and broke up. And then him come back again, and then the dance when played Radigan them now, him never forgot that dance, I remember it forgot. But when him see the lineup, he said to me, yo, see me dream, Dilingy. This is me dream, you know. The only man in the panelist there, you know, are Firelinks, you know. He man get back Troop Up and Jar, Babyface pan King of These, Mataran, Panther, Radigan.
Greats of the greats.
Man said, yeah, man. I forgot this a dance and Father Keith. I said, Squingy, your health. Man said, yeah, I want to Father Keith, man. And this me dream for. And the man go, and you see what he do. And the last time that him play a sound, in a Jamaica, and me and him, and my brother Shea, you know, Mr. Gun, that's dancer always a sell up a Bass River. Up to now, anywhere in the world I go me here. The last dance that him play in a Jamaica. And the last dance him play in his life at the Clash, I think, then in drop out. Because as I say, when him end up reach a Tampa, you know.
Right.
Yeah, he end up reach a Tampa because him did tell me, say, him a go sell him vehicle. And me a find people for buy. Catch him say, I did it for a while and him did want money, yeah. So, you get me, and to tell you the truth, you know, the reason why he even do that, you know, Father Keith never want him left. Because through Father Keith, they have him, Father Keith sure about yes, when there. Because the Fuzzy used to cook for him.
Right.
And everything. So when I maintenance used to, Father Keith make sure say, he get him meals them and everything.
Father Keith show me the vibe.
Yeah, and if we go a student and I come back in, we stop and buy fruits, and me and Mark stop and buy fruits for him and thing. And if when me cook,
you make sure.
Me make sure say, because I will out in the right, that's anything you want. When in clothes you wash, sometimes my woman washing clothes them and thing. But him did just want go, because me say, him did care about what people are going to say. And him go. And him know, he's a casket him come back in.
One of the greatest thing.
Yeah, man.
Ever touch a microphone on a sound system in our country, brother. Anyway.
Man a genius, brother. Me stand up and watch him. And so my time, I mean, same thing happened to me now, you know. You know, like, sometimes I dance on dance and I wake up and dance, you know. Sometimes I puzzle and I say, man, just by what me I say and the way me I act, but it's just a musical spirit where from the people love you and you have a unique voice and they love your vibes, brethren. You move a crowd Easy. Me just see how
Your
Squingy
voice
do it.
big for training, brother.
Yeah,
Because just a talk. And
Yeah, man.
It's like, it's a sound system you there around here, brother.
Yeah, man. That's how we do it, man. Yeah, man. So Squingy was a genius, man.
Yeah. How did Squingy's passing affect you as a selector and the other selectors, but also the movement of beat? Because Squingy was the star ball
man.
around the sound.
Affect you. Bad. When Squingy dead, a father kid called me like about 4:30 in the morning, Phone I go off. And the one night, I put my phone on silent. I said, man, now who this man? I say, father kid. I say, father kid.
Must be something.
I me answer. Him say, DAMIAN, you go there. And me hear him voice. I say, shit, I want him. Say, man gone, So you mean him, which man that? Say, man, Squingy gone left we, You when me confused, I say, me not understand it. Like, me I tell him, say, yo, clear up yourself, Bridget. What you say? And he say, man, drop out, DAMIAN. Man, drop out, And the funniest thing, I hear him here,
Right.
Nobody no call him and tell him that, The man dead and nobody no call him and tell him, say the man dead. I hear him here. You see me? And he mash up your team, man. Let me tell you, say mash up your team, man. Mash up your team, Bridget. Mash we up bad, man. Like we lose it, Bridget, like we. I said, Jano. And we didn't even too care about the sound, like the image I saw at that point.
Right.
We did more. We lose our brother, so at that time we just say, oh, Jano, lick it all away wicked, man. How long after, by them time, the Bass Odyssey done in a Guinness Clash already.
Right. Because I think, though, even before we reach Guinness Clash, Mark was the captain that kind of helped steady the ship and keep them motivated.
And Mark now said, Bridget, listen to me. Squingy that want this, Because, and Mark, if you remind me, say, remember, say this man drop off and broke his shoulder and got the man have one metal.
One pin.
Come through Yasso and come back up through Yasso.
Oh.
And the man come a dance in a wheelchair. He can hand class a pop off in a Bridget. And the man come in a wheelchair. Squingy is the first selector. See with a laptop, We see where you use laptop now?
Right.
You have one thing named Final Scratch. I think a person that them introduce him to it.
Okay.
And he used to set him table and come there and play. We used to laugh after him, Yeah, man, we used to say, man, it's on a good computer, man. Because them time we thought the thing rugged, you never know, say laptop with that.
That's what to then take over, I think.
And Mark, I remind me, say, yo, look on the determination where this man have. This man Japan broke up. And when the man died, and we look over Sonny and him foot bend we saw. And this hand here, we can literally see the whole light round there, so I know say yes, so papa off Bridget. And he must step on the microphone. But good man, clash off go on. And when you reach at the place, the man have on one jacket. And the nurse, Bridget, no capping. The nurse take out one scissors to cut off him man's jacket. The man tell the nurse some bad word and say cut off. What? And the man cry.
And take it off.
Yeah, when they show him when they show him in a casket, I see him jacket, you have to put him in a women loving jacket. Man's a whole papa for him jacket. Yeah, man, but I'm sure but still me not like. But Mark, DJ Mark, him hold the team together, man. In start. And you see from him strong. All of we get strong and we just decide say, yo, watch out now. From Mark said that we are work with.
And then as I made mention now, you guys were in the Guinness Sounds of Greatness Clash already.
Yeah.
Right? And this is now, because you have been around the sound from 2000.
Yeah, 2000.
Zane. And so whilst your name have been around the sound, the real big break came for you 2010.
Yes. And me I tell you say, how the break come to, by right, me shouldn't really there Guinness Clash.
Oh.
Because remember Guinness Clash start before Squingy dead.
Right.
And Lexi was another great selector to Lexi. Them time the Lexi, because them time I'm more attack now.
Okay.
So Lexi now dominate mixing. Me I mix less. Lexi, Dwayne and Mark are the three top mix up on Bass Odyssey now. So Conscious Pen come there now and was a great talker too. So Father Keith said, well, Guinness Clash is a good exercise for them go exercise them talent. So Bass Odyssey did play one Guinness clash already with Kappa Shot where them win. And then Squingy dead. Now when Squingy dead now, we decide say, no, people lose half his sound and say sound done. So senior man have to step up and take over. Now, me and Mark and Worm link up and Worm and say, boy, John Dilingy, you have to do it, because right now, it's strength. You have his strength. But me did I approach it now more aggressive, because he's an aggressive selector. Me when kind of approach it out of vexation how people are deal with the sound, it's so done. And so me did like hungry and mad for go prove to them, Mark too. Hungry and prove to them. Because now people know, because we don't do a thing and like some people look down upon me like, yo, them man on Bass Odyssey now good. Done it done. So I'm just go there, me and Mark decide so we're going to finish the clash. And I so come, we go Portland and kill a Sony and Flavor Unit. Then we go kill Brother Hype.
Yeah, All Harbor.
All Harbor. And then the final we and Trooper.
Son Trooper, Mascam.
Yeah, man.
Near Met one.
What your history, Reggie?
And also, so whilst your name got out there, it was also important for the sound itself. After Squingy, for sure, people say,
yeah,
but still there and kicking.
Yeah, man. And after that, the next thing what happened to you now, Mark.
Mark left the sound 2011.
Yes, man, Mark exit.
Well, I know you're Mark good, but I think there was a little bit of tension between you and Mark.
Yeah.
Was it before you left the zone or after you left the zone?
No, after.
And before Mark left the zone, you see?
Yeah.
Was there any signs that he was planning to move on? Or any conversation?
Yeah, I mean, well, in a sense, Mark and Father Kit have some misunderstandings still.
Oh, okay.
You understand? And,
okay.
And yeah, because I remember me and Mark the close.
Right.
But I think the two of them approach it wrong, make it get messy in the end, because I don't think Mark did one left still.
Okay.
But at the same time, I think Mark never talk out fully what he need to stay.
Okay.
And Father Keith, now, is them type of man, they have to come to them on the straightforward. You can't move away and expect him to read. Even if he read the play, him expect you to say, yo, teach them. So, the two of them man, them stand off and they just get messy where he just couldn't come back. You understand?
Unfortunate.
And Mark do him thing. And so after that now, so we go misunderstanding again with me and Mark again, where, as I say, communication again. Make some communication again. So me and him not talk for a good little while, and then me and him talk back, and some people start saying me say and him cut me off again, and then we talk back again. And
but I think there was somewhere in that Mark wanted you to join him.
Yeah, well, you see, me do an interview the other day, and I say it, and him call me and him talk about it. And him, like, him say something to me, and it come like, maybe me take it the way there.
Okay. See,
because when me do an interview that day and him call me, because that's when me and him reach,
Okay.
Because the last time me and him talking, I say, listen to me, Richard.
So if you hear anything, link me, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if me hear, so that's when me and him reach,
A good place that, man.
Yeah, man, because 3 times me and him stop talk because people say. So, him call me and him say, "Dear man, boy, I'm here, make a talk," and say, no, I never nothing like that. I never mean it the way there. So me I make it say, boy, when, me did.
So you did interpret it?
Yeah. But when me get to understand after now, I see a misunderstanding again. In the pipeline, the right half there, so. Make some little thing go on and in just cut me off. Yeah. So, so. But me and Mark work out here, we go there now still.
I'm glad to hear that, brother. We're glad to hear that.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to talk about some. Are you and Lexi now farm one next killer team again,
yes,
right?
Yes, man, me and Lexi farm a wicked team, Virgin. Doing the same way,
Right.
But Doing and Wormer have a better chemistry together.
Oh, okay.
Because them have come from foundation.
Long time. Yeah,
so
man.
them, even though we switch up, you know, but me and Lexi now, cause Lexi used to play little Bass Odyssey, you know.
Right.
And my brother, I saw come my brother now. My brother will just
She know.
I remember little Bass Odyssey turning a Bass Odyssey.
The second son.
Yeah, the second son, and Father keep built on little Bass Odyssey. So now the selector, you know, like Lexi was there. But me used to bring Lexi with me, you know.
Right.
Because Bass Odyssey used to rent Lone Star sound too, you know. After I park up and dead, you know.
Oh,
yeah, man, with the lease.
So what happened to the equipment there?
Yeah, man. They up there right now too. I want them and tin on up there when the bars forward and we run and see amplify everything running in the garage after so much years.
Yeah.
Or 20 odd years. Yeah. So we also Father Kid lease it one night time. And then now some night time me alone. Cause a long time I can't play song by myself.
Right.
Now. And me that bring Lexi with me as a mixer. So me really teach Lexi how to she know teach Lexi to mix.
Right.
But me would have teach Lexi now how to handle big sound.
Okay.
So me used to bring him with me. We go and we used to have the truck and we go up on the truck CMA. Because by then time, you know, that's how we are really CMA, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so Lone Star now, after that now, Bass Odyssey rent it and things. So come Lexi did it now. So by that now me and Lexi.
And develop a good chemistry.
Yeah, and then now me and Lexi now was always feeling say Bass Odyssey can do more juggling, commercialized business. And we do it and we just decide that we go tell Mark. I would tell Mark and Mark I say, surprisingly Mark I say, yo, long time I want to do that, you know. But you know just Squingy, I'm a war man. And then we just start do it. And even Squingy, cause the story gone right back down in a minute.
Right. Yeah, man, that's fine, man.
And then Squingy love it and join in and doing what's creative on the turntable. Tule Billard style say, we not play no vocal. When juggling, we like normally that come and you play that vocal.
Right.
Now we put that vocal in a middle. So we start play back some 90s dancehall, juggling, duck rhythm and mix it up, play them. So we start commercialize this on. And doing now, we build freelance. That's everybody I use now.
Right.
Freelance, me and doing build that. And then Squingy join in now, but a Squingy make it go great.
Right.
I know anything Squingy.
Genius.
Because Squingy see we are doing it now, I love it.
Yeah. We soon pick up because I know that you got some additional responsibility after Mark left the sound. We soon pick up that, right?
Yeah.
But so you started out as a mixer primarily. When you start to take the mic, or who encouraged you to take the mic?
The microphone time now, when Skinny now leave 2005.
Right.
So when Skinny leave now, Bass Odyssey, of course, you know, when I top talker leave and Worm step up.
Right.
So I have Squingy and Worm now. So me, you know, come could I Worm them teach me for talk, Worm teach me for talk, you know.
Okay.
Early is, you know, give me the microphone and do, you know, that give me some intro and you see. That's why even now, me as a talker where he build me to be different. Because me not talk from way back down, so my style.
You kind of modern.
Yeah, my style
so
little different.
Look like that
and it help me if you do things my way, how me want to do it.
Can bridge the gap.
So me not grow with the real, because you have some man play sound CMA, some selector want sound CMA. You find me have a sonic style with a Dilinggy that. You see me? Yeah. So 2005 when Skinny left his sound and now, I say I talk. I'm go to Father Kid and say, Father Kid, talking, you know. But him never really see me talk like that, because by the time him come and dance, for me time gone.
Gone already.
And him say, boy, Damian, you have to just practice, you know. And I say, man, I talk them more from the boss. Man, the boss send me go talk. But the boss I tell me, say, yo, just go and practice, man, and you never can tell, man. So me go to Squingy. Can enough dance Squingy give me a 1 and 2 tune.
Cool.
So I go to Squingy and say, yo, Papa, I want to talk about the boss. 3 boss never see me talk yet in my youth. He must say, I tell him, man. I say, no, man. I show him what you show him. So when Father Kid come and dance on Squingy say, give me the microphone. Shot, a boss. Squingy below and style and now. Him take aside. I have 1 microphone and I have 1. For shop top the desk and gone panny, for a rooftop the desk and gone panny. So Squingy now, the youth now when Squingy goes on now and decide say, yo, you see me? Because him always have me back,
Confidence
you know.
there.
Squingy all, that's why you see me give him so much respect to this day, you know. And then through me and him live one place. You understand? Say, Henley problem. Yo, Dan. I leave me there on the son and something happen. That, my youth. I love how him and him deal with me, you know, that. I say, eh? I'm telling you, man, all right, don't worry yourself, man. Come fix it next night. All when me pop off the bass key, and I say, eh? Him start do it. I say, yo, Virgin, listen to me. You tour too much, leave me alone. Me don't want father kid fire me if you just want the bass key. Me not touch it back. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
How bad was the crash that you made mention of? Not serious injury of sorts, never. Go on.
I really get whiplash and seat belt cut my chest. And I worm. Worm, I didn't want to know where him stuck.
Oh, now we cut him out.
No, me jump in a car. At the glass, the side glass, me use and cutting seat belt.
Oh, okay.
And pull him, right now she was in a car, see me. And me pull me cutting seat belt because him seat belt thing did itch us up.
Okay.
Because it's a head-on crash like so when you sleep in a car and so him foot get stuck underneath the dashboard. So him couldn't move. And then through the side I lift up so with him, the part of the plug out the seat belt get caught on here so. So when me jump out and I tell him say, yo, cause the engine are racing, you know.
Okay.
So me jump out and I tell him, come out and nah, he must say, so me jump back in and cut his seat belt and pull him. And he sucks. Yeah.
You pull him out of
Yeah,
shoes.
man. Yeah, man. So we just did shake up still.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
but we never had no
serious.
broken bones. No.
Yeah. Damian Dwyer,
Yeah.
Dilingy.
Yeah.
How you get that?
Well, you know, Damian do have my parents them that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I know that one. That's how you get Dilingy, bro.
Dilingy now. And Squingy.
Squingy again.
Squingy. Because we did that with our dance and one night with our dance and you know we had drinks and rum. By then time I know Squingy now start drinking rum hard, so of course you know we had drink rum. So him just run his song car, him run joke. I say, yo, too much of them BC selector have too much normal name, man. I does that him say, no.
Yeah.
Yo, I change the name tonight. And him go. In the same, Marky Mark. But Charlie did give Mark one name Professor Mark. So him say, Marky Mark. No, Professor Mark. Then him say, Keety Keat. Then he go, Lexi Lex. And he say, Skinny for your name, all right, man. And him like him say, Dwayne. Oh, remember for your name for a long time, a scandal bag. Because Dwayne have a name a long time, from until now and them time.
Okay.
And he must say, yo, Damian Dilingy. And he go, Dilingy. But me never like it. So me did Bex.
That's right, I was.
Yeah, and then him Dilingy. That's a virgin. I like that name, you know. It's all right if you don't like it. So you go. Next night, same thing again. And then you say, yo, Mark, a Dilingy name, whether I like it or not. And me never like it. And you reach and call me Dilingy, me go in a truck, virgin, go lie down, Bex. All when dance done, them call me. Me now come out, me Bex. I come my truck. Yo, Dilingy, I want to you, man. The name bad, you know. I say, I lie in the virgin. Then Mark, no. Go cut in a dub.
Yeah, seal, right?
So Mark go put in a dub, virgin. I say, cheese and peace. And then after that now, everywhere me go, people, Dilingy, Damian Dilingy. I said, Jano. Then after a while, it starts sound good. And one day, Squingy called me and I said, yo, see a name that I give you youth. Look for it in a dictionary and tell me what I mean. And me like I idiot, run down back around in my room, run through dictionary.
Yeah.
I said, well, you know, in a dictionary, I
Right.
say, okay. So you are going to make the name the beat whenever you want to be. So you build that name there and see that classic name, Dilingy.
Dilingy, man.
Nobody else.
Nobody.
Classic. Just like Squingy and Skinny them.
We are talking about some high-profile clashes.
Yeah.
Some want to win, some want to lose.
Yeah.
That's what they want to win.
Yeah,
But UK Cup clash, we did basically won that one item. We win that 2006, 07, 08, and 2014.
Yeah.
The 2014 one, I think you played. I think
Yeah,
you played
me
every hammer. Yeah, weren't played that one.
Every Hammer, Addies, and Firelinks, Metro Media, and I think three more 3 more local English sound.
Yeah. Any of the other ones that we mentioned, 06, 08, you played on any one of those? You played the sound for any one of those?
Yeah, man, I think I remember lose on Royal Clash. By the time they mix up, but they lose on Royal Clash in New York in Missouri, you know.
UK Cup Clash we are talking about, you know. I not talking
Oh, no, the only one. The one that the only UK Cup Clash.
When you play, 2014.
Yeah.
Okay, want to kill every hammer.
Yeah, we got 1-4 and kill him. But Rome been winning, and I remember at the first and only selector ever win UK Cup Clash back and back.
See, World Clash, P1, 05 and 2012. You played in 2012 Clash?
Yeah, me and Rome win that one day. The only one before that when I go, and me did that dance at Negril, and my dance finish, and I reach 27 when Squingy drop off.
Okay.
So when Squingy drop off now, and Rome now shake up again, I remember Squingy say Clash have to go on. So while him dead in the ambulance, he tell me, so we have to play. So Rome never want to do it and Mark, and not even me, but Squingy decides say.
It have to go on.
So me go talk. I nearly win that too, you know. Because in the last half, now he dance, mash up now and then start flick some buckle on stage because my son went in and threw them drop out now, then crowd turn against.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So so that are the only one at Jamaica before the 2012 when me and Ron beat Jaro and I won for one.
Sound for Dead, New York, 2011. You played in that one?
Yeah, man, I play all I Sound for Dead.
Oh, you play all I Sound for Dead?
Everyone.
So you win and you're dead too? You
I
kill
think
people and you're dead too?
Yeah, man, I win about 4 or 5, you know.
Okay.
And lose. I think how much me lose? I think only 2 me lose, you know.
Okay.
Me lose one against Camouflage.
And one against Addies.
And one is Addies the other day. But all of the rest of them we win them.
Yeah. War Territory, number 4, Italy, 2012. I'm not sure who did play the song.
Me and Worm.
Yeah, Worm.
Against Spider. Supersonic.
Supersonic.
Yeah, man. That one next history clash again. Because that was a clash where, as big as the dance be, me and Worm is it only 3 of we are black man in the dance. Me and Worm, and then they have a MC, a host.
In black.
Where in black.
So everybody else white.
Yeah, so him attack the pato and the next man attack. And me now go forget when we reach our dance, when we walk out and look and see amount of white people and no black people, we turn to Worm and I say, Worm, this don't look good. And Worm said to me, well, we done there already in a Dilingy. I said, all right. I'm going to whoop and flip a kind and win it. And make the next sound play first. And him start beat out the tune them, and I sit down and I watch and I realize when he play the slow song, them not get no forward, but him play
upbeat.
Even if the rhythm upbeat and the song of foolishness. Somebody start switch up, so I play a high tempo song. And then tell you so we have a 45 round where they never tell you about.
Okay, so I have to adjust to that too.
I mean look at Rome and say, Rome, you might lose a round, you know. Because the 45, them me never know about it.
Okay.
Me just go out there and play like the whole segment we play at Jamaica. The Bob Marley and Dennis Brown them and Garnet them win that. And Super in them yard then don't win 1 round. Lock them up. Tune for tune, 6-0. I remember my first youth figure, a sound in a heavyweight sound clash, 6-0. In 2006 with Black Cat. 6-0. No man never again, no man 6-0 in a 1-for-1.
Where was the clash with Black Cat where you mentioned? Jamaica?
No man, in New York.
New York,
2006. My first real clash. Where trophy there? See it here.
Okay, cool.
Keep them. All of them trophy here, you know, where you see me have, you know.
Yeah.
I might trophy them. Some of my trophy them, you know.
Irish and shit. Yeah, man, we figure as much, man.
You get them here, say, see it here? Like this. Yeah, see it here?
Yeah, man, see it.
2006, yeah. We win that. You see me, I'm saying?
See pre.
So all of them trophy me, make sure say keep some of them.
Yeah. So now when Guinness saw that greatness in 2010, in 2017 you guys got to the final of Boom Clash. But watch out now, you play the semi-final.
Yeah.
Why a country spend play the final?
It was more of a teamwork type of decision that.
Oh. Wow.
Because, as me say, our Bass Odyssey run, Bass Odyssey is always planning the future. A Bass Odyssey.
Continuity and succession planning.
Yes, so, like, how we look on it, the Dilinggy now for there are everything.
Correct. Fair enough.
You get me I say? So it's like now, when we start the Boom Clash, I dominate, I got you. Kill Code Red, kill Venom, I got you.
Between me and you, there's a Code Red. You know, the street of it say, Chris Diamond go running the night.
No, can come close. But I one mistake, him come close. And the only reason why he come close is because him spend a coming afraid for talk. The same man when they give money in the crowd, if forward, then come to me for money and me tell them my boss not work so.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah. Watch your class still.
Yeah, man. Them pay, run money in the crowd.
Diamond go hard the night still, separate and apart from that.
No, you but me try. Yeah, can't come with the beanie man custom them in the early, and me never no custom down there so. But they have a thing in a Boom Clash where you have a certain we now call name unless man come foolish in attack.
Right.
Me come back come call name. But there's one set of people in a Boom Clash, man. Yeah. We have a run money pan. But my boss to pre them with it. Cause after me play the first one, me did realize that. But you have some things when me do in a it will stand out.
Right.
The first one, when my boy come out to the boat gun and stay so, me have a big lass in my van. I mean just go back out and don't push down the lass in. You know so, me chop and come back in. And me tell him, say, boy, we know what with paper gun and tie gun. I take out me chop and stick in the ground, that alone. Now, Chris Diamond now, what mess up Chris Diamond now, is when you get the best out of 5. A Sizzler or Cape, I remember.
I think a Capeton,
Sizzler,
Capeton run on a player.
Yeah, I think I want Capeton.
And a Supercat run playing in the final. Because I want to win.
The Capeton.
Capeton run.
And in play some Capeton. In play some Capeton, and when me come up and play the Capeton, then me get a bigger forward.
No, but I think when win a Capeton run fairly and squarely.
Yeah. So how they go now? How much round they did play again? Cause I think I will win the most round.
Right, because you have the first round, the singer round.
Yeah. So we when we reach our tune for tune, we already win round him for win the dance already.
Right.
So when you reach just now, me never really when the tune for tune I play, me never really had to kill out myself. You understand? We just have play some 1 for 1. You understand? But you close now and then what help boost people for say that is because him lip on me all along and me not say nothing. Because he's not the type of selector where them win or lose. Me not come out come talk.
Right. Okay.
So him a yap, I go on. We not say nothing. Because in idea.
On win and go final.
Because who's there for Thief Boom Clash give me? Remember me and Yannick and Lexi alone drive from country. Me not care nobody go at all. A man approach me and make me know say yo Dilinggy. You run a money in so what? You understand?
Yeah, well.
And I said no. See? But really and truly, when you get the vibes there, so he automatically gravitate to the rest of that. So I now go tell a man say him not work and go and good.
Yeah, man,
because him go and, especially when he play the beanie man, flat in place. So he slap a Bass Odyssey there so.
Okay.
See? Yeah. But in a clash, if you make a mistake, it will hurt you. You see me? And from me realize say him like a gear up, you know. We just start put pressure there so.
In the final now with the heartbeat, see?
Yeah.
the Supercat road.
Yeah.
See? I'll know me can't figure out how Trooper say heartbeat when it's
Bass Odyssey not lose at the truth. Because me did it.
Alright, so let me tell you the round them where the man them win.
Yeah.
You see the singing round, the singing dub plate round, them win it and then win tune for tune.
Yeah.
The other 3 round them,
Bass
Odyssey win 3 round.
Yeah man. Me didn't know that man. Cause when them a judge and them a say the other man intro sang them when Bass Odyssey like when we maybe spend an intro. That a foolishness because in there 30% is for the judges.
Right.
And 70% are for the crowd. So it still not really matter where you once you get a bigger forward audience wise.
But the word out in the street is that Trooper still carry feelings from Guinness. I mean, you can't call Chupa name if you don't want to call him that
No, I can't call Chupa name. Well,
but the way they really call people
well, yo,
like that or less.
me no know. Alright, you wanna know? Cause me and Chupa when we buck up we talk, you know. Maybe, you know. But half the year when me and Chupa buck up.
But me can't understand how Chupa judge your own fit. To be honest,
Me no know.
like, as me tell us, the man them win the tune for tune, then kill on in a tune for tune.
Yeah.
In the singer, dub plate section, then win that.
Yeah,
Give them in 2 rounds.
Yeah.
But it was a dance.
Yeah. And them the 3 round they win the dance. But as I say, when we reach at the final now, as I say, Speng was the youth on the sound where we are put to the world.
Forward, right.
So Father Keith, now I mean, say, boy, all right now. Then Father Keith, I said, yeah, man, like how you win them that come up, the final. Because Speng say, me want a clash, you know. But me did that keep it safe. Me did that try secure. Secure, they select them and come out there. And then when the final, now. Because me there, I final, you know. But this stage stay, you know, me they run us up and run it back here, so.
Because yard beat, whether I say, I say no,
yeah, but
so
when I think I'm to yard beat, me thinking cut some song for me and get tricked the night there.
So that's why I want you forward out there?
Yeah, because him see me, you know, him know me there, you know.
Okay.
I must say no, but me just say, all right. Because when me see Speng win the 3 first round now, so you can go and talk.
Yeah. So that was a high profile last in the thing. But I was curious as to why you never played the final.
Yeah, man, with the Speng is saying him want, and Father Keith say, boy, dear man, if he want it, make him go and do it, man.
Respect that move there too still.
Yeah, but as I say, we go out there, because me and Alexi Bill create them. And me and Alexi build up and organize the thing.
Right.
Yeah, so.
So my profile losses, you know. So the yard beat defeating at the boom clash because 1,000 of people that watch that.
Yeah. And people see me and say, boy, Damian, Ray. And I tell them, say, just teamwork, man. So I go.
We talk about the camouflage last and the Addies last.
And the Addies, yeah.
Already. Yeah. Radigan, you lose to Radigan.
Yeah.
I think at New York.
New York, man. That now. The last day now. Beat myself, you know, star and technology.
Because I Garnet Silk.
See that last, you know, it's not the last way me really talk about Wally because what really happened, man, a lot of people are going to believe. But if only my sound man, are going to really understand what I say.
Well, what me understand about is that you play back a Silk.
I got it with me, and me play already too, you know. But you play back now. Me as a man now, if everybody watch me can play Bass Odyssey out of my brain.
Right.
If me make a plan for Bass Odyssey and it start go east, me can literally start play out of my brain. So when me I play one fun in a clash, I don't really build a crate. I already have one big crate with every Bass Odyssey.
It is a counter with the next man play.
So when you play, it take me less than 3 seconds to decide what I'm going to use to play. So anyways, Radigan play a song, and me type Garnet. You see? But the mix have one joystick.
Okay.
The rain mix have one joystick.
Rain.
Yeah. So when me go so now, the joystick move and select the rank and niche album if you play, you know.
Oh, and niche
and then it select all me. But when me select, you know, me just to me sure, me just select it and hold it so and cue it. Cause me have 1, 2, 3 cue. 1 intro, 2 drum roll, and the third cue I like if me I go mix.
Okay.
Cause we have tune pan the same rhythm too.
Okay.
So when me go so boom and run, go so bam, and me go so and touch it and let it go.
Oh, me.
One dive in the ground and come up back a sentence. And funnily, it get a bigger forward, you know, but when the people realize,
They play already.
you just hear the boo, them and come. Even Radigan tell me, say, boy, Damian, song a powerful song. Because if that song they never play already, he could have. And watching now, you miss me could have beat myself. I don't think I get back an opportunity ever again. 5-5 we are Radigan there, you know. The great Radigan, you know. One song for beat Radigan, you know. And me mess up right there, so, you know. You see me? And for a couple of days, even though Father Keith now, him never, I remember them never, but me and myself, they feel a way about it. Because Father Keith just said, boy, I dear man, I say, go, because when me explain the joystick business, every sound man understand.
Right.
Yeah. And, but me and myself, I say, you can imagine me and you sit down right there so now, and me can tell you, so me win and they're great. David Radigan. Just check by what me I say.
May I check by my answer, what?
You know? Yeah.
So that one to throw you out for a minute?
Throw me out for a minute, even though worm them, no man. I miss everybody cheer me up and thing and Ray, but if you know, say boy, the song, cause you say, oh me, oh my now, and the artist sing a song when we play already.
Right.
So the knee shall bow. Well, in a place, so I don't know, but I just have a feeling, say.
You then match up the place.
Yeah, can me use a song there and write off Heavy Hammer up on the same stage too.
Okay.
So I know New York know the song too.
One of them things, man.
I just want to think that after a week, man, we get back to it and
Killing people.
still beat me over it, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes we go in there real, but fans them love it, because they know, sir, one thing we do, if we even lose, no care how bad we lose, Bass Odyssey is going to bounce back, we'll go back a road and do what we have to do, because of them things there, because I'm say, if you're afraid to get a defeat, you lose more. You have to know, say, you can lose, and because I always tell them when some fans see me, I say, yo, Bridget, I don't know if you feel like we can't make me get covered and I want to sit now. When you think I got me, go back out there. We have to just apologize to now and keep the ball moving and know, so next time, try to do better.
Having spoken to Father Keith, I realized that, Bass Odyssey is really and truly an organization that employs many, many people. How many selectors are in the zone currently?
Right now, we got 13 now with it right now. 13 selectors. Yeah, 13
so
selectors.
We have you, Spread the Glory, Fillmore, Damian, Lexi, R.D.,
TJ, Deshaun, Mario, Jovi National.
Jovi, yeah.
How much you got now?
9, 10.
Attend that? Oh, it's enough, you know?
I mean, I want you left out. Nobody,
Worm, you know, say worm.
Worm, yeah. Worm.
Actually, you start calling.
Yeah, start.
At 11. What is wrong there? We say Fillmore.
Yeah, man, me say Fillmore. Country Spain.
Kitty.
And Country Spain.
Country Spain. Yeah. Enough, you know?
Big organization, brother.
Yeah, man.
How many of you can play the sound on your own, like one dance, just mix and talk?
Only me and Spread the Glory.
Yeah, Spread it.
Yeah. Me and Spread the Glory. And we tough them way, like we go out there and represent. Just as we have we have a mixer. Yeah, me and him can do that.
Spread it, I'm a G, man.
Yeah, man. Good selector, you know.
Bad selector. I Spread it, make it Bass Odyssey link them for me give talks.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I know him like Kingston City, man. You know the thing, man. Yeah, man. Great selector too, you know.
I know them ways.
Yeah, man. Good addition to the sound and everything.
Plus, we are talking about maintenance. We are talking about Chuck, man.
We are talking about each sound have at least 5-6 maintenance. Truck driver, Father Branto. Him at the
we need to interview Father Branto. Yes, Father Branto would have seen it all, you know.
Them man, they did it before the box, first box. Them man, they from the...
I'm not going to interview Father Branto, man.
Father Branto did it from... Him learn a Father Keith father. Teach Father Branto mechanic.
Right, Father Keith Trophy 5.
That long before, that from jukebox time. Yeah.
Father Branto need to get in
yeah, man, how you say, man? The world, them man are some powerful man, the world people want you.
And them man, they must have a history, because them man, they say everything.
Listen, when certain things slide, at them me ask, him can tell you. Because remember, all of the bad clash them, you know.
Him did it.
Remember them, even when he reach over when selector go dance late, remember him go there, you know. Yeah, man. And we new truck driver now, when I say new, can do that all now, Robbie. So them mother like road manager them.
Oh, okay.
They make sure say the thing. But Bass Odyssey, man, well organized, man. Call them here, we there, so we there interview. But there, so I have to work on Bass Odyssey. I played last night at Hopewell. And that truck then come in. He gonna peppers. Again. Later now, peppers me I go.
Oh, okay.
You get me? So, well organized. So, every man know them work and know what them to do.
Yes. When Mark left the sound, you were going to the studio with Mark before, so you would have had some experience.
Yeah, man.
You took on some additional responsibility. You were now responsible for cutting most of the dub plates.
Cutting most of the dub plate them. Well, all
of 2011.
Yeah, all of the dub plate them. I mean,
so whatever is in Bass Odyssey catalog since
from
2011.
Mark left and me, yeah.
Damian Dilinggy.
Yeah, and then now, what I do now, I start bringing Kitty and Fillmore. So 3 hours we are cut dub. And then now, Fillmore now, I work with the government, so him have a government work.
Okay.
And I like me with us play Bass Odyssey, him have a government work. So him did have to stop go to studio with me.
Oh, okay.
And then Keith migrate and live overseas, even though him still play the sound.
Okay.
Then me alone I go until the last of days, me and Jovi or me and Stenet we go to studio.
Okay. Stenet, we never call Stenet.
Yes, Stenet, yes, man. I know so much. And me and Stenet and Ren played the song last night.
Okay.
Yeah, so me, I suck on me. That's one of the reasons me even where clashing wise is me not establish big in the talking. Cause after 2010, if ma never leave,
right.
I have to take on so much responsibility now.
More.
Me more seasoning and clashing. Cause I have juggling that, but I mean clashing, but me so advanced in a clashing.
Makes sense.
And then we never have nobody when we sing. So me have to pull back. Cause Rory was a good talker already. Me have to pull back now and start mix. You know, and I have to come up with ideas. Cause enough song where me cut, enough people think I'm a cut it,
Okay.
Yeah,
I mean, the man can learn from.
Yeah,
so.
enough man think I'm a me cut. Cause enough I song them when Bass Odyssey never have a me cut them back. Me cut them, put them. So through them there,
right.
Everybody expect Bass Odyssey to have them already. But I really me cut and put to them. So, people will say, yeah man, Squingy them cut it from them.
So you have enhance and develop the box them.
More. Yeah. Even some bounty killer I did shot and I go cut them. Some Lucian I go cut them. Some this I go cut them. Some one for one song I go cut them. You see me? I make Bass Odyssey have a more me that say even with Bass Odyssey early warm up vocal wise.
More structured than
cut enough of them.
Stronger.
Yeah, cause Mark did start with the Taurus rally them and the Anthony Cruz them and thing, but Bass Odyssey, me did one. Come out and you go all on Stone of Dance and couple of the big sound, you hear them play some nice rhythm, like you hear them play all the square rhythm and me go cut them fling to Lucian over there. So when the sound I play early, is now one man a rock dub plate them sweet. Me can do that. Yeah, can put some nice. Yeah. And fat up some rhythm too.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you also, because we are currently sitting in your studio, you also do some of the mixing and the dub plates and swing them when you want.
Everything, right, that's all. Everything, right, that's all. The laptop there, right, that's all. Everything in Magic working there, so.
Everything across the sound, you have been involved in it, bro.
Everything, because that's what my talent is. And guess what? At the same time, me help structure the selector them too. Because they look up to me. You see me? So, what I try to do, I not try to step out of line. Because they look up to me. Because if me do something stupid, Father Keith, I said, Damian, the man, them look up to you. So, then we follow you.
True.
Like, me also cause enough bad word on the sound, me kind of ease off fight, but me really one every now and then. Because, me's a hardcore selector.
With that one. Yeah. What have few from time to time,
But
man.
when me used to do it often, everybody start do it. So Father Keith said, Damian, so me have to be careful of how me hack, how me do. And the next thing,
example.
Yeah, and the next thing what me have to do, me have to make sure say the respect level for my boss, there. So the selector them, I go have it too. Because if me start move away, like, me not rate Father Keith and thing, then selectors I go try for like, I don't know, disrespect him or. So I will if a little thing, I try my best for. That's why me stay out of media, see me on mix up on them.
As it should be, too.
Yeah, me know in the, and me keep my opinion them to myself. If me feel away, me go tell my woman or call a selector and tell him pan him. But me, not gonna see me a type.
Yes.
Me not get involved in nothing I go on the media. Cause them sitting there now, you made that easy. You just want one man who not like you, put in a capital letter, and then 10,000 people not like you, and then the good people may love you, start run off of the bad energy like, yes. So
mentality, man.
Yeah, man. So me just know if you do that from day one, that's how Squingy used to stay, and them bring me. Mark, you're not going to see them one of them, man. It's Bass Odyssey selector, out in and mix up. So I want to build a way there.
Real. No, as one of the sound we have the most dubs in our world, you see?
Yeah.
I know this probably is a hard task, but tell me 5 dub plates where just no miss. Generally no miss. No matter what, they no miss.
Sound boy for that bounty killer with the intro. Bass Odyssey from where to any country. Country Bojo. Cocotee Sanchez.
Okay, that combination.
Enough,
The way anyone that Bojo?
No, Cocotis and Gelad is my right hand side.
No, I know, man. I just ask if
oh, you're talking about Deportee?
Right.
Well, Deportee is a song where, the song there, we play, you know. But in a modern time now, the traction we used to have then, and wherever blame myself it still, because if you understand, the sound of a lot of young youth.
Right.
So you maybe hear the song there if you see me and Remata dance. You will hear the song there.
Some of them not to play it.
Tell another powerful song where Bujo, you know, song where Bujo tap sing.
Right.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Bad song that. That one we sang powerful. You see me? I cut a chronics and name Center and Rock.
Center and Rock.
Yeah, when I write and
Because you know, there's a question if you ask, you know, if you tell me some dub plays where you write and boss it, I will see you start with there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I know. All right. You see the chronics there. Write the chronics. Now, what the song I write, you know?
Figure as much.
As I say, all of the creative song them with the lyrics, them rhythm selection, I mean, me come up with the car. How me do it now? Me is a man now. We think about a rhythm. I'm link up like, cause you have like Vilmore and Keity. You see, two of them quick have a pass a rhythm. So me link them first.
Okay.
Then now me start link the rest of them. But if majority of them not like him, me scrappy.
Most times.
Yeah, most time me scrappy, yeah. You see me? So, what if I rhythm revise, man? Shower Me, Haunted, and rush them, so rhythm on me rise on the sound and
build them on.
90% of the song them when me been cutting and me write the lyrics. Even if you hear a sound with it, after Bass Odyssey. Because artists have a lazy way, you know. Well, yeah, man, artists have a lazy way. You bring a brilliant lyrics to them and then I have no time to figure out. Yeah. If I look at art, me tell you, my artists always, I tell them, say, boy, Dilingy. And when I go voice him, his money say, yo, Dilingy don't tell me if he does DJ. Because more time, you know, when he did that, I just me know talented. And I say, yo, DJ, just give me a bad man way. I say, yo, we attack the Dilingy, man. We had cover book there.
Right, yeah.
Right, that, man.
Yeah.
And anyway, me go and like with the attack him, I say, one thing with Dilingy. All of my TG them, I write them. I write them, I change the lyrics. You know? So I'm very talented when it come on to that. And me very talented hearing which tune can go up and which rhythm.
That's important, brother.
Me can tell you this. Out of me how much year out of cutting.
Yeah.
I do miss 3 times. And the only time I miss are the artists them mess up his song. And sometimes I come and suffer hours.
I try to fix it.
Sometimes I move from rhythm to rhythm to rhythm. I have 5 different rhythms to me find the right rhythm.
You're really in love with what you're doing, bro.
I love that, man. I see it, I look in a place and see it, man. I build this out of my pocket.
And whilst on the studio, do you have intentions of, you know, production work?
Yeah, man, maybe, because I'm going to build a sound there, so you never can tell.
So get right to the part.
Yeah,
So get right to the part. So that the song now you said Never Me Zane. Which artists you have basically have the most on dub plate?
Bounty Killer.
Killer.
Bounty Killer. Most. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Which sound and which selector you enjoy stringing up against the most? You have that clash there, you say, yeah, boy, I got dead to that. It give you a vibe, a different energy.
Yo, clash-wise.
Yeah, man. Which selector you enjoy clashing the most and so on?
Boy, I don't know because when I'm clashing, I'm zone out, you know.
Yeah.
I never fun to play, do you know. I win who, you know.
Yeah.
No, I never know.
Yeah. Like
when I have a clash, I know, me never like me never sit down and say, Father, kid, you need if you take some more clash with that sound.
Yeah, no, but it's like you're probably say, yo, Link skill. Me like all our Mataran skill,
so I understand totally what you say now.
Panther skill.
All right, let me tell you this now. Me no clash with Wolipa sound back and back.
Right, yeah.
But you see, like you got like the LP them and the Addies and even the Soul Supreme them. You see, once a sound can match with big box, it go become a challenge.
Yeah, okay.
Because any mistake, like even what they are, couple mistake and these kill we.
Foot get kick away.
Foot get kick way. So, you have to know what you do.
You love them challenge there?
Yes, man. And them build me. And them me love. Me no love. Like me, you know, like, if a son, no disrespect to a young son.
Right.
But sometime now, but I want some clash now where some clash of me never, some son, even though they're not their own that often, most of them not
Stop
active,
play like
not
that.
active. But me like when me have a clash when me not like a clash when people are gonna say, boy, why me no Bass Odyssey are going?
Oh, you want
No.
say anybody can win a
Me
clash?
love a clash them when you put on a clash and say, we look up on the media then say, your Bass Odyssey are dead. You get what I mean? Say?
Yeah,
Me love them clash. Like me more into the smaller son them go and build.
right.
Cause me love watching. Cause me watch all of them, you know. I me enjoy them all them clash and thing and Ray. And enough of them, maybe two of them I play the same box them, the same jar or the same bass or the same song them over and over. Me just decide say boy, you know, some big name would I really take on some name and me not get for clash.
See, pray.
Yeah, but clash is a thing where me love still.
Yeah, which selector give you most problem or sound?
Most problem.
Yeah, man, yeah, I say. Even though you kill them, you know,
Yeah.
it's hard to go around them.
You know say, in a modern days, the only youth when me see a boy Kingpin, King of Days. And we don't clash often, you know. But you see two time, even last time we clash. You see me? The dance reach on stage where when he turn the dance, it's like the meds where we are all now. We never execute the dance there properly. But you see the youth there, him say, cause all of the other clash them when we go in. Me not really, well, they Soul Supreme dance too.
Oh, okay.
That did give me a real challenge. That are the dance that really put me under the most pressure.
Soul Supreme.
Yeah, man, the dance, because Soul Supreme start beat out all the Bass Odyssey top hits them. Told me I have to cancel me create them and start play out of my brain.
Oh, okay.
So that all the sound will give me the what I say, put me on my toes. But me still have to give, because the 3 time me clash are these since Mark leave, and win me 2 times. Because I win them in remember then they did in the UK clash.
Right.
Yeah, so me and King of these no clash often, which in me think that need to happen.
Okay.
Cause
giants,
you see true and kill with us so and then come kill with us so. Black people don't remember things.
They remember say you did kill them.
Yeah, so they keep
so
saying.
So if they say Addies have Bass Odyssey ticket.
I'm gonna say ticket, you know.
No,
but
for some people are
yeah, them are gonna say that because I mean they remember the 2 killing and then would think back and back. But by right, when they win with a Tampa, we did come kill them. But enough people not take microwave clash for clashing them.
So there are one-on-one
They
clash.
like yeah. But you hear me? One-on-one clash, you can make a mistake in a one round and group up back with the selector and say, yo, the mistake that we make, we need to start. In a microwave clash, you're going to have 1 chance.
If you drop out, man.
Here you go. So a microwave clash is one difficult clash. But true, you're in a man clash and you play a 2 good round and me can always watch you and say, you know, say I play a big song I use, you know, I go for some big song. But if you never know that in a microwave clash for the 15 minutes or 20 minutes, we see you next year. So true, are these beat with us now, and them maybe not consider that and then come beat you again and say beating stick. But I know so. Remember, so before that, Bass Odyssey lock off them in Amazura,
yeah.
Squingy and
After them, they lock on off around Portmore.
Yeah, but even when they lock off a Portmore, Squingy then come beat back Addies again. You know?
Right, me know that.
And then Squingy beat Addies in Amazura.
Okay.
I lock them off in Amazura. And then come kill Addies in the England World Clash. But I say microwave clash some people.
Because for true, in reality, for me personally, which is true.
Yeah.
But for me, a clash one-on-one
is more,
because that more lasting to you.
Yeah.
So I don't go from the dance start to the done.
Yeah, that's how you go.
But me
You
understand what you say. You understand what you say. So Soul Supreme, and you say Kingpin.
Yeah, him
Easy to
Kingpin.
go around.
I don't say not easy, you know. But as me say, you have to know what you do. You can't afford to make any mistake.
Can't slip up. He might kill you.
Just like him. If he knows if he slip up with me,
He's dead.
he might go in trouble. Because me know if you hold a momentum, you know. But if you turn the other way and you can hold your momentum and find a way if you hold long Bass Odyssey, so you will win way. But if you miss up, all in a middle dance, if you miss up and me catch a lead, me going to the
Yeah, what? I know say it's a Bass Odyssey selector, true and true still.
Yeah.
You know, you love the institution. But is there another sound where, you know, you look on sometime and say, you know, some of them they play that sound there too?
No, sir.
I lie, I tell you.
Swear to God.
Yeah?
Swear
No
to
Store
God.
Love, the Jaro, the
Always-
Metro Media.
Always think, say, if anything can happen, I'm a part Bass Odyssey, I hate that.
I hate that. You love his own.
Well, no, maybe learn some.
Yeah,
so
no, you're a personality, but outside of that,
no, sir.
nothing.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
The Odyssey thing there.
Me that done. Me that stop. Me that prefer go solo.
Okay, we see.
Yeah, me no see no sound. No.
We see
Me no sound out there where me can say. Yeah.
What your favorite rhythm for cut dubspan? Like that rhythm there is, you know, when the rhythm that drop on big sound, that dance, crowd start lift up.
Look on the bad.
Put on the bad. You see that little piece of ranking me?
Yes, man. Look on the bad.
People start jumping through for the drop one.
Me reach a stage now where me didn't even cut no bag of song pan that. Me just pick them out one. As I see one song come and it can work pan me put it pan it. I be a strong rhythm that. That's how me stay.
Oh, cooler one, cooler. Is there any dance where stand out in your mind more than all the others? Like for whatever reason, that are the dance where is predominantly the front and center of your thoughts when you think about your journey as a selector?
The 2010 Guinness Clash
Sounds
with
like
Sound
greatness.
Trooper. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. that make you roll, know me by me name. Yeah, nobody can say the youth pan Bass Odyssey are. A man now see me road and call me DJ.
DAMIAN
DAMIAN Dilinggy. That's what make me name.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Is there a song, juggling wise, where you then pay your money go listen to that song there because something about that song they get that, you like that sound as a juggling machine outside of Bass Odyssey?
Yeah, what if I sound still? Juggling wise. Can you touch all upon the senti end?
Me, so some big sound down there going with
Yes,
brother.
man. You know one sound where enough people not talk about regular, but dangerous juggling sound too. And then we clash to, you know,
Who that?
Natural Vibes.
Natural Vibes. Whenever I listen to it still, I know of the sound.
Natural Vibes. Dangerous in a juggling. And of course, you have your rough cut them.
Okay.
And
The rough cut, St. Elizabeth
yeah,
sound?
yeah, and they ready eat them.
Ready.
We are rough cut. We are rough cut play the most still.
Okay, cool.
Asante.
Cool.
Yeah, we are rough cut.
Yeah. Which clash sound you enjoy listening to outside of yours, playing your sound?
Soul Supreme.
Soul Supreme.
Same as these two. Yeah.
See.
LP.
Yeah.
Enough of them still.
Yeah, that's that.
When they clash, me
you
listen.
enjoy it.
Yeah, man, and you have some new sound too.
Yeah.
Like Rough Cut and them sound there and Young Guns.
Young Guns.
Sound on the Young Guns now. Me don't know if
about
I true
Young
they have
Guns,
one female panny. But when them clash, me always
You
want
like
to tune in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which artist you enjoy cutting the most? Like you're going on a studio, there's a vibe, and then you know so when you drop it on it in a dance, a vibe again.
You know what's funny, the TJ still.
TJ.
Like, me don't know if I true me and him have that brother link there.
Okay. See pray.
But is a youth now, it always more than business when me link him. Like him, we always chill and him
Brother type of
reason, reason and I one of the is one of the artists them where if he do something like a part of a song I like him, I can say DJ no man, the two on there.
And him not take
And
it.
him say,
take it
him say,
personal.
alright, diligent, yeah.
Okay.
So
my man them
and when me and him link up now, cause me enough artists link up, you know. But when me and him link, me and TJ link up, always a brother thing where we reason, sit down and we reason about politics, the government, the business, the this, the that, with kids them. You understand?
Everything. Nice vibe.
Yeah,
Nice
TJ.
vibe. Of all the sound system you ever hear string up and play, what the sweetest sound you ever hear play?
Sweetest.
The sweetest.
Why? Not the loudest, but the sweetest.
Sweet is the best quality. Yeah. Everything
Hey,
separate. Top,
alright,
mid, low, bass, everything different. Like,
Alright.
it's clean.
Sweet, when we say sweet now, like Jaro,
Jaro.
sugar. But
And
you know
I
powerful.
Yeah,
But you know
sugar.
powerful. Like when we and Jara play, like we are monster. But otherwise, from like, cause sweet, can me maybe actually you know loud. You
No,
know.
right. Maybe.
But when you come on to machine now, Bass Odyssey,
Yes, I did say.
you have sound where we match up with it, you know. But Bass Odyssey, I'm gorilla that brother.
They
That
love Jaro.
Me love your Jaro. Me love your Jaro. Like,
I
we
know
play
one
the
time
whole
as a Jaro so on stage I best never hear in business to choose. Still. I know 1 and 2.
and I best you know, but it's sweet.
Sweet, as in that,
The
yes.
sweet, like sweet. Cause the big sound them play loud. Jaro just have one mellow tone in the way. And Jaro no sound like no other. You will never hear that quality nowhere else. But no other sound.
No else.
And me played whole heap of sound. Yeah.
Along the Bass Odyssey journey, see?
Yeah.
What is the most rewarding thing so far along the journey? You know, that's something there. In your quiet time, you reflect on it and say, yes.
Honestly, a roof over my head still, you know. Right, that's over there, you know.
Whole heap of roof, you know.
A whole heap of roof.
Congratulations on that, man.
Yeah, my boss,
Congrats on
man.
that,
Yeah, man. There's a lot, you know, about the roof over my head, bridging. Because I will if a selector do it and do it even longer than me and I do it before me and still not accomplish. So me not no landlord that tell me nothing me. If me want go burn down the grass there which me do it already and plant a different set of land grass. Me just put in some spray in my pan and burn it down. The landlord can't talk to me. And then in the long run now, it take like a pressure off and make me can focus on the sound even more.
It's true. It's true.
You get me I say?
Peace of mind.
Yeah, man. And it pushed me now for me a pre-business, you know, instead of a pre-roof over my head. Because you know, roof over head is one of the most important things. Because when this done, you know, you better man pass it down the road and say, "Come big DJ, house one paint." Me live in night. No water not catch me in there.
Yeah, what, but you.
Big, my greatest accomplishment, that's still.
Yeah. When it's all said and done, what do you want your legacy as a selector to be? Like how people should remember Damian after, you know, it's all said and done.
Like how them,
yeah,
man, like how them remember a great Squingy and a great Mark, them and all of them, man. And as you see, I kind of start the ball game from now because I'm always in the music, so I want to become a sound owner. Like how Father Keith have a Bass Odyssey, I go out there, that me want.
Cool.
That me want. Yeah, man.
Speaking about sound ownership, you created your mobile sound in 2022, I think. That is when it officially
Yeah.
fully bad.
Yeah, man, started from like a red car they were parked.
That's
Yeah, man, look at that since start from, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, man, right. That's I used to run commercial, me also advertise the dance with the boxing on top.
Okay.
Yeah, and then now, sometimes people don't want to pay the money, and so I just get fed up. But I remember, because I used to drive, you know.
Okay.
See that car there? When pandemic lockdown in your year, selector and farmer cuss. You remember that thing that when everybody cuss them one ended and farmer man and say selector this and the promoter them. Me not the little buggy there. And I have a contract with Gas Pro. All them time I'm there all chill on, you know, and sometimes I'll do a Granville in my car.
Advertise Gas Pro.
Yeah, man, in my gas shirt and people love that car. Me get to mix and mingle enough of my fans them too. Yeah, man. A little car there. In a pandemic, me get up 7 o'clock every morning. Me there the plant down the gas place by 8 o'clock. By 8:39, me drive out behind the gas truck and I advertise. You understand? And I make good money for the week. So in the whole pandemic, me sound and play. Me nah cuss car for the week. Me make good money off of my little car. Because me have my contract every week we gone out. Yeah, man, and then after that now, you know, me just decide to make a turn in. I want to say, I turn in, I want sound to make all the gas thing, catch the sound thing come out now. When me used to drive, people used to ask me, say, can make me get a money and you make it come play round robin?
Oh.
So when I start go back foreign now, me just say, you know what? When I start buy up some equipment, some tar and thing, and we have a youth up the road, World Movement sound, youth in Fry Eye, did have one mobile sound, or go on. and him tell me what to buy. I have a youth named DAMIAN, old school now.
Him bill it out.
No, him give me 2 box,
Oh,
two
okay.
small box. So. And I tell him, man, say, yo, no. Because I just tell him, say, boy, some people, I tell me about round robin and thing, and him say, go do it. And I say, nah, man, the man drive car 2 box and go and say, yo, put speaker in them.
Okay.
And I do it, have them a play. And I tell her, sound a cocaine still, a drugs.
Drugs.
Because when you started, you go, you listen to one sound play better, you want to step up. See the fully bad, I two half a column upon you now.
You know what I mean? I laugh. Because I know exactly what you're talking about, brother.
See, one next bus spark up now.
You see, boss, I mean, mind, tell me.
Yeah, I when I buy the engine, I build back the engine now.
Yeah, can you do some mechanic thing too?
Yeah, man, I can do man. Father teach me that, man.
Yeah.
In a pandemic again too. Me and my father gone build back diesel engine in the farm tractor.
You're active during the lockdown, man. You're
I'm
out.
telling you, man.
You're out.
Good money me I work in, me and my family comfortable
Nice one.
in the pandemic. Oh, yes, man. Yes, I mean, my pandemic never that bad because I have my talent. I'm talented. Because my father, they get an injury and right now I can't use him left hand.
Oh.
And
sorry for hearing that.
yeah, and him I say, boy, I have to go pack up in work. And I say, nah, man. And him second me and his second go out, man. Father just stand up and do me and the rest of bill, pull on an engine to 0, fit it back together. And through me no hype, a man can see me in our tractor and sometimes I treat somebody around me, I will advise and I will talk about sound clash. Because I no hype, so a man can say, look on the big DJ, Jano.
I saw this.
And when I look a buggy, so I run advertisement. Anywhere I go, so my time I stop all our bar, I kill him and kill me the romancing. Because people know say me down to earth like
Yeah,
that.
man.
Me no hype.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You made mention that eventually you want to be a sound owner. So I guess you
Yeah.
have designs and desires to turn the mobile into a column sound one day.
Yeah, one day, definitely. Even if the mobile is still there.
Right.
Because I already start build columns like half.
Okay.
Eventually
so you can
one
cover
day.
off a venue.
Yeah, because the thing with my mobile sound, I never see nothing like this. All along, mobile out there, you know, but from a building mobile, like the promoters, them take it serious. You're there and see how the movement like this.
Yeah. Road since it gone
all right.
again.
See my brother come check in and it gone, you know. You see me? So it a get there, it a play out like big sound. So now people are hear about it. Because for some reason it play good, you know. Yeah, man, he play good, man. I tell you. Even when me hear it sometimes, I can't believe it says a mobile play. So when a promoter hear it, and then they want to book it for some big venue, some have to make a reputation like a man here. Yeah, fully bad, you know. Sometimes a promoter call me, boy, I never hear the sound yet, but when my brethren tell me, say, book it. Because I normally book some mobile and them tell me, said, feel it good. And when me look on the venue, you know, I tell my brother, say, yo, we don't have a care like, but when we are go cover a big venue, and then you have people call me for column sound, like box out the door, and play them too.
Okay.
You can have a column when we split in a 2 half, where it turn up to column sound too, man.
The clap.
Yeah, man. So the box them in the bus, that's how you see them there, so.
But you don't play the sound regular.
No, you know, say about, I think about 3 or 4 times I ever talk on 10-10, sir. Like me there dance or whatever, I selected them mad father now, or my brother with jam out and say, yo, why boss in a place and not talk and give me like 1 5 or 10, sir. You know? But me as a man now, me I teach them. Enough man from Bass Odyssey, me teach them, you know. All our young youth them and me put them on road, you know. Carry them go up foreign for the first time and carry them go to a big dance. So my selector them now, me train them. So them are going good, so I can go to the dance and just relax.
Yeah. Why you not going to play it where you want to play one of them time?
You know, you see, you have to know what you're doing, you know. Because in a day you can't make this thing become a conflict of interest.
No, I talk in general. Bass Odyssey, I can't work, you know.
Oh, I think I'm myself.
And that is important. Because I see a few comments where I say, you know, eventually, it's going to start, you know.
Yeah.
Step on Bass Odyssey because you get bookings locally, as in center, and you know what I mean. But at the end of the day, man, still have to fix your business to still. So me pretty things.
Yeah, what me do it now, me no book it on a condition say me I complete.
Right.
But me say if cause we have time when me a Bass Odyssey selector them gonna dance, you know. Me reach a dance. How when me look at Jovi play the sound, Lexi play the sound, Stenet play the sound. And me go on easy Bass Odyssey selector them come there because Stenet got him sound, you know, him monitor sound, Step a Squad.
Okay.
You know.
Step a Squad.
Yeah, but
and if you look on that, because I try to build a monitor sound thing.
Yeah, man, so. 3 months bad man. And the reason why me no do that is Bass Odyssey we just call me and say, "Dear man, you have to go foreign, you know." And if me and a promoter say, "Boy, me have forward there dance, me no want no forward there."
Issue that.
Yeah, but if me not play man and me drive go listen to sound and me did it and selected them for some reason, them always are going good, so me name nothing.
Right.
And the people them just like, yo, dear man, you so bad and the man them are going good, but then we have time to enjoy me out.
And that is you now providing employment for some other youths.
Yeah, I say me take on that full time now. When me want in the future when me want send you out there, it go kind of harder. You get what I say?
Right. So at the moment you are focused.
Yeah, build a team. Yeah, and it had to build a team. So by the time you reach, just go easy for us.
Right.
And so if that time now me feel like, yeah man, me not the game long enough. A time now me put down the game now.
Right,
me still have a sound system and me know so me still in a so it can be Bass Odyssey I string up all and place and my father kid you know. Say father, what you think about it? I say that like wicked Dillingy. I say yeah man. You know?
Nice. But the Bass Odyssey part now, wrap up now. Why you not go play it where you want to go string up one day and either mash up one juggling dance or kill two sound?
You mean?
Bass Odyssey. You want to not go yet where you personally in love to go?
Oh, like some in a roll, man. We don't go Africa yet. We did have a date. We did have a tour in Africa with Turbulence, you know.
Oh, okay.
But at the same time, the pandemic stopped that. Zane, where again now? I'm going to place in a roll.
Believe me.
Just see, I know. Why? Really and truly, everywhere sound system really go where go there, you know.
Yeah, which part you go where the energy there just is a nice vibe, just different. You like going there to play.
Alright, me like New York. New York now give the hardcore dub plate them. Now my place now where me feel like home away from home is England.
Oh, okay.
Cause when me go to England now me spend all 2 months. When me like how me go now me judging clothes and I mean I streets with the people them.
Yeah, did it?
They are the barber shop them, they are the restaurant them. England.
Okay.
I mean, different. This and now, you know, everybody live good. And you know, Bass Odyssey fan base.
Big this.
Bigger England too.
Yeah. You ever clash Mighty Crown in a Japan yet?
No, but me play upon them and me play them.
Okay.
Me play Future Anniversary 2 times. Me and Mighty Crown play about 2 times in Japan.
Cool. It would be interesting to see about Bass Odyssey Mighty Crown clash back in the days when Simon and Sammy did that.
Yeah. But we play Mighty Crown in Japan and other Japanese sound. I go to Japan whole heap of time too.
Yeah, can imagine. Bro, here we go on. So doing the research of the interview, you see?
Yeah.
And actually doing the interview, I realized that for you, it is not just about playing a song, it's about keeping an institution going.
Yeah, man.
It's about advancing an institution.
Yeah,
it's
man.
about and it's just like an institution. You bring through people through different stages because you went through those stages too. You understand? I respect that, man.
Because all of the name them after me on Bass Odyssey, you name it. And me. You understand? And me.
Help bring them through.
Help bring them.
Bring them to the people.
Because spread the youth now, when him come on the sound, him already established one type of way. You understand? But me make sure say, watch you now. I make sure so I get on a visa and thing and can move. You understand? I say, Father, make all of you them get them visa and things. So you find out Mario get Jovi, everybody have them visa fly.
I respect that, man.
So as a youth, come have a little youth now. Because I stay with them, I not just jump and say, yeah, me I put it to the world. Me make them build and me watch them. When you just come and sometimes I never play the song with them.
Okay.
Me go and watch them till one day me just say, yo, we are roll. And then when he started out, you know, when me realized now, say me and him have a little chemistry, even if, because most of the time I guide him, you know. I guide him. Start yourself, go there, so. Yeah, don't play that, go there, so. And then me reason him and say, yo, if me tell you, say, go there, so. Me now I'm going to tell you 5, 6, 7 songs to play, you know.
You know
if me change from dancehall to disco,
you must know
how to pick up back from this and come back around this. So me guide them with that. And it build Bass Odyssey where if me a top man and Worm, right top man, because me and Worm are the two general on the sound.
When I see them in
when the time forward now for me and Worm step down, because we are going to turn big man one day. Bass Odyssey, because our black people stay now. Them are work with a program, you know. So through they used to Bass Odyssey change generation and generation. Me can't make me and Worm just they stuck the sound. And when we decide, say, boy,
it thing pop down.
So you have some little youth, so I tell you now, the little youth now, or the youngest youth, or little youth named TJ. Or we are bringing now, Lexi youth that, cause Jovi, a step I bring him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you see me? So TJ now, because we did have Price, but Price did go away to Canada and never come back. So TJ now, they round Lexi, you know, and Lexi does bring him on the sound now. So him are the next youth now where, me and him play a couple dance, so I come on. So the next youth now where me saw zero down on film career, seriously. And so yo, we have to go do some road, him not start go foreign it and bring him go foreign go play the sound and them thing, you see me?
So all that you have been doing, brother, and all you continue to do, seeing and as I say, after the passing of Squingy and Mark leaving the sound couldn't go anywhere. You understand? And you are really the man who really and truly stand up for the sound with the sound and help keep the thing on a level and bring it back to a level, man.
Yeah, man.
Respect that, man. And why that's important, sorry for cutting, is that you know say a lot of things are changing in the country and the sound system culture is not what it used to be.
No.
And we need, because Bass Odyssey and Stone Love are really the two giant sounds where still do the thing
still do it up
the right way, the bright way. You understand what I'm saying?
For real.
And yeah, one of the man who help spearhead the Bass Odyssey part of the journey. You understand? So along with Father Keith and the rest of the man, then we appreciate that, brother, man.
Yeah, man. And I don't tell us, say, we in our music for stay as long as life in our body. So that's why we may even go fully bad and thing and send me mobile out there. And, you know, and it's a joy. It's a joy because when we can die, so no one knows, say, fully bad gone out now, go dominate one place, run a Golden Grove. You come home, go down a paper now, Bass Odyssey. It's a good look.
For the people out there want to know how to reach you, or want to get in touch with you, for whatever reason,
I want to tell you, say, there's anybody you can Google, you know, in order to find it. So if you go DAMIAN DILINGY, you know, you see everything, number, everything, every platform, you know, with them on all that platform them. And if you have any problem, just go over Bass Odyssey.
Same speed.
And from your type Bass Odyssey, DILINGY, all that we call what we do. I start this too, you know. I make sure every selector got Bass Odyssey after them name, you know.
Easy to find.
So sometimes some people run through the net and him go Bass Odyssey and you say, Jovi. Jovi
that.
Boom, he jump and start. Oh, the youth are bad. So your name is if you pick up. So everybody, step a Bass Odyssey, Lexi Bass Odyssey, Philip Bass, everybody. So if you go Bass Odyssey, you can find anybody you want, man.
Yeah, man. And as I said earlier, Spready the man who kind of put me through to the Bass Odyssey.
Yeah, man.
What you do with Tina One for me, I appreciate that, brother.
Yeah, man, because Tina One, you see, you reach on Tina One there. I saw Elder, me and the Elder, like, because you know Tina One a part of my journey too. Right, Tina One is a youth and now him, he's a virgin where, as I said, if I mess up and him know him, the first man for put me in my place and say, Dilingy, no, you have to do this. Because as much as he's a big man and him know, in the young boy thing, him that's all knowledge him have.
Different, brother. Different.
Yeah. And him know kind of keep me. That's why you see me keep Bass Odyssey. Because one of the things where Bass Odyssey out in the world, so, you know, we have a thing in him, hardcore juggling, you know. We're different, you know.
Different.
So you get the dub plate them and the 45 them in one dance. So, yeah, man.
It's a respect, man. I appreciate the reason, brother. I appreciate the knowledge.
Yes, brother.
And history where you are create as well. And, you know, we're there. all the business endeavors we are pursue, bro. We just
man.
success upon success upon
Yeah,
success.
man, we try to build up a team,
And
man.
continue to keep one of the killing machine, man, one of the greatest sound system I
Yes,
ever
brother.
set up and play going, brother. Me
Yes,
appreciate
brother.
that. As
Yeah,
a man,
man.
we love the music
Yeah, man.
and love that aspect of the
Yes,
music,
brother.
brother.
Nah, stop
We
it, man.
appreciate that, man, because that's important, my bro, man.
Yeah, man.
Big up
Nah,
yourself
stop
every
it, man.
time.
That is it.
DAMIAN DILINGY, bad like the late
Squingy,
Squingy.
you know, me and teach them in the building.
Big up
Always
yourself,
I
my
reach
bro.
them, you know.
Mad thing,
That
man.
is it.
Heart of love.
Man.
Yeah.
That I've never dreamed of. Fully my lady. Oh, na. Mr. Cruz again and again. I said them they can't get ready. They fully by the rock stay. We are gonna kill some sound tonight. We're gonna show them around the days. Let them know, shake your rock your body line, girls, move your shoulders. Everything is fine, we're cruising. Don't tell us one for one song, my answer up the girls, one for your
Fully bad sound, the boss said machine.
And this is the world sound, fully bad sound, the boss said machine. With the man called Father Dilingy and the man called DJ Milan. I'm no mad father. Make them know this in a share now. Alexandra and the rest of the world, you know, because you don't know when I play one place. And then I am on Bushman represent. I always say,